Hello.
Hello.
I start the stream. We start. We're live. We're live.
Are we live, are we?
I think we are. Hang on. We've
We're
got.
super live.
Yeah. Oh,
Roll
we
and
we
Jack
got
right
through.
here.
We got through in chat. Welcome through.
Hello.
And there's Jack Ryder. I'm gonna tweet the stream real quick, because otherwise nobody will join. Yeah, right.
Hey,
Hold on.
whose game is on in the background?
Can I? Let me
I'm
just.
hearing us double.
Really? No, mine should be okay. But really, what do you hear?
I'm listening to Vloggy Stack. I'm gonna tweet the stream real quick.
Hold on.
Somebody's game is on, or somebody's stream is running in the background there.
Hold on. I'm gonna put the headset down real quick. I'll tweet the stream. Be right back.
Mine's not. Mine is running in the background.
Nobody hears that? Am I crazy? Ah, that was me.
Yep, you're crazy.
Oh, that's why I paused my stream, but I had Vloggy stream on in the background.
Where's Vloggy's stream?
All right, we're all good. If you, maybe it's mine. Could it be mine? Perhaps. I'm gonna lower the volume of the TV, but.
No, it's Vloggy. It was me. I had your stream on. I was like, why?
You dum dum. All right.
I'm dumb.
All right. So there's Levy as well in chat, and there's Dada.
Hello, Levian.
Hi.
Oh yeah, Dada always in the house.
Guys, are we gonna beat this game one day?
We're gonna beat this.
Are we stuck on
Even-
this scenario? Come on.
Even if it kills Amy, we are gonna beat this.
I really want Albert FM Westgood to be in our team. That would be so fucking awesome.
I told
know,
him.
Matt is so anti-outbreak.
Oh.
No, he's not anti-outbreak. No, he's not anti-outbreak. It's just he can't play it. It's just because he can't play it, not because he doesn't want to. What,
Amy's
Matt?
playing it on like a Nintendo 64 or something. She like rigged it up.
Yeah, but where there's a will, there's a way. I mean, and let's keep in mind that Amy is a genius. All right.
Yes, that is true.
Hi.
Look.
I'm only playing on
Amy is-
PlayStation 3, but I'm not a genius.
Let me.
No, okay, so free mode. Is anyone setting
Yeah,
up a
I'm
room,
already-
or am I gonna set up a room? Has anyone?
Well, you guys need to because I don't have all those
Oh,
cool
yeah,
extra
that's right.
levels and
I keep
stuff.
forgetting that. Yeah, I'll set it up myself. Don't
Yeah.
worry.
I haven't either. Well, I've just got the standard PlayStation 3 version.
All you need to do is
two
just
versions.
download a save, 100% complete save.
Yeah, Vloggy. I thought I downloaded that and I didn't. So.
What? yeah, that's
I mean,
true.
I bought the. I downloaded the one that said like, "Hey, it's the full save." I'm like, "Okay, awesome," and then it wasn't. It was a lie. The internet lied to me.
Okay, so.
You should really have a picture of Bosco on your stream. True.
Oh yeah, I need a picture of Bosco. Where's a good one?
Yeah, I really should try and edit it so that there's a picture of me with a controller and then Bosco there somewhere.
Bosco on your shoulder like a parrot with his butt in your face.
And he's always there, snorting. Aren't you?
Starting clicking.
Shit.
Alright.
All right, so where is everybody in the game?
Hang on.
I'm here.
Oh no! The room title
Oh.
failed me.
Dang it, Vloggy.
The room title
Yeah.
failed me.
You had one job to do. Make a room.
Oh man, no, it's fine. No, what's this?
Ah, man!
Hold on.
Where are you?
Hello, Bona.
No! Oh, I did the room now. Stupid buttons. I wanted to name the room Vloggy plus True plus Amy, but for some reason plus Amy didn't fit, and then the room just got named Vloggy plus True, and it looked very, it looked very gay.
That sounds about right.
All right, that's
Bosco,
fine.
get your balls off me.
Yeah, Bosco, get your balls off us.
Come here. Sit down. Sit.
Oh, I hear the snoring.
It's more of a grunting, isn't it? Because it's not
Yeah.
sleeping, it's like a kind of He's like a pig.
All right. Very hard. Yeah, right.
Bosco?
Very hard. Oh my god.
Not being true.
Say hi, Bosco.
All right, let's go. The room is ready.
That room.
Enter, please.
Yeah.
I think it's that one called Vlog.
What's the password?
I think it's that one called Vloggy. Oh, ABC1. ABC1.
Oh, I got it. Capital A.
Vloggy's name is the longest. I know, sorry. Alright. So, what was I saying? I was gonna say something. I forgot. It was something about getting the save, downloading the save, 100% complete save.
Oh,
And that's it.
yeah.
And you get the costumes, and you get the rocket launcher and stuff.
I don't know. One day I might have. You'll have to link me to where you got yours because when I do that, I'm going to redo this whole thing again. It's just a nightmare in the first place.
There you go. Stream is now
All
centered.
right, I'm in.
You're in? Oh, 3 in. Okay, let's go. Start game. Please, let's finish this today. Come on.
Oh,
we
we're
can
gonna do
it.
it.
Help
Well,
me,
hopefully
please.
if it doesn't freeze.
Come
We're
on.
hardcore.
Come on.
Resident
come
Evil
on.
experts.
This is the last time we're playing Resident Evil Outbreak. Next time, File 2. Next time, File 2.
Oh!
Hey.
We're gonna show the
I'm
cutscene just this once,
I'm a
alright?
hardcore speedrunner, so we're gonna do this.
We're gonna do this. We're bosses.
Jack Ryder has a question for Amy.
Yes, he does.
Alright,
Uh-oh. Is it an appropriate one? Look, it's Wesker with spectacles.
Wesker's nerdy little brother.
Alfred Wesker. Albert.
Al.
Too much
Albert.
growth weakens an organization.
Albert.
What should be important
Albert.
becomes
What a
overshadowed
horrible
by
name.
greed. Mass
Albert.
production?
Albert.
Ridiculous!
Goodness.
Ridiculous. Alright, Dotaro.
they have to
master
put standard
piece is
pants
enough.
on, don't they? It's ridiculous.
Look at
Get
Speedo,
pants on,
Speedo
lady.
Tyrant.
Speedo Tyrants. They're expert swimmers.
Swimmer.
That's what the Tyrant program was really for. They were making really good swimmers, and they just turned evil. That's the Speedos.
This
So
place
this time I tried to do the low latency with my streams. Apparently it's a new thing for me. Apparently now I got less delay. I don't know if it's working though. I'm not so sure.
Ah.
Dear George,
I've been thinking about
I
trying
have
that, but I'm a
vital
bit like,
information about the
what if
current
it
city
goes down?
crisis,
What's
which
next
only
if
you
it
will
goes?
understand.
Yeah, I was
I'm
watching
waiting
your
at
stream, but then I
university.
paused it because I forgot. I turned
Please
the sound
contact
off.
me as soon as possible.
Let me see.
Peter Jenkins.
This
I
is
wonder what the delay is like. I removed chat, so if I post something, I can't really count
University.
the seconds it takes
Why
for it to show
there?
on stream. But it doesn't look very delayed. I'm looking at it right now. It doesn't look very delayed.
The chat on your stream or the chat on YouTube?
Hang on. No, it's not on stream. Because I'm using Studio. I think there's still a 10-second delay though.
Ah.
Emily's in the house!
It's Emily, the official Bay.
Yeah, we just missed Albert Wesker. That was Albert, his cousin.
Albert, yeah, you're.
Each time we talk about that guy,
Your
we
face-
change his
brother.
relation.
I'm running circles around YouTube because like I've loaded it ages ago.
Wow, how did you know
You should have picked up the herbs, but you missed. Haha. failed to
Can't you
pick
remember?
Oh.
True? I'm on a PlayStation.
That's right, you're cheating. Right, okay. We're going upstairs.
Cheated.
First aid spray,
Oh.
mine.
Did you know
What?
blue herbs slow the poison? Like if
No,
you just take it.
How?
you mean slow the
regardless
infection?
of the health.
Find anything?
Yeah,
I can't
yeah,
remember how to play. After I...
Like I didn't know that. We've been leaving so many blue herbs behind.
Wow. Okay, that's good to know.
Yeah. Like if you just take it, it just slows the infection a little bit.
Interesting.
Oh,
Okay.
sweet herbage.
Not raging. I'm
Sweet
trying to
herbage.
tell
So where do we start from? I forgot.
We need those eyes, right?
All right, this way then. I think it's this way. I think.
So one eye is upstairs and one eye is downstairs. It doesn't really matter.
Let's go. Start.
Oh, that's right. Amy can play the piano here, right? That's
Oh, it's good that we have her. That's the only way. That's the only reason we have her. You can die then. We're
They
kidding.
called your
We're kidding.
character. All right,
Oh,
piano.
oh,
get
zombie,
over
zombie,
here.
zombie! Ah! Bye! Bye!
Oh,
I left the room.
Oh, Vloggy, you coward!
Help me, please!
So much more help, me,
Okay.
please. Oh man, we need to start conserving ammo as well, huh? I'm coming, guys. Sorry
Yeah.
about that.
Probably true. All right, Vloggy's back
that-
with his.
Is that zombie okay? He's just kind of like standing there.
What? Please
I don't
don't
even
say
see one.
that.
Hey, Amy, you want my pipe here?
Oh, another pipe! Get down! Oh, the zombie's still standing there. It's true, I see him too.
I
Look,
see a zombie.
you don't. Uh-oh. There's a zombie, he's
See
just
any zombie?
standing here.
Where?
Can I shove him?
In front of me?
Oh, I kicked him. He's just standing there.
I don't see any
I'm
zombies.
kicking. Can you see me kicking him?
I see you kicking. I see Amy and you kicking nothing.
Are you streaming through?
Yeah.
Alright, I look forward to seeing this.
You guys
Do you
are
see me
fighting
kicking
the
the zombie,
zombies.
Amy?
No, I don't.
Why you not give me pipe?
I don't have pipe for you.
I left my pipe on
No
the ground.
pipe for you! Do you
Did-
see me kicking
okay.
the zombie though?
I see you kicking.
Yeah,
oh,
I
you're talking
see you
about Amy.
kicking the zombie, yeah.
Alright.
Amy, hold on, Amy. Take my pipe.
Yeah, there has to be something behind the thing. Did you check?
Oh, dang it. Yeah, I got it. I got this nice hard pipe.
He's not even flinching though. I don't think he's gonna die.
Alright, here's my pipe.
Okay, take it.
Alright,
got
we're
a
just
pipe.
wasting time with this guy. I don't think he's gonna die, and I think we're just wasting our energy. Let's go.
Yeah. Yeah, you guys are fighting an invisible zombie, and I need you to stop being crazy right now, alright? I know it's the
Alright.
apocalypse, but get your head in the game.
Alright, we go this.
Emily! Emily's here!
Let's go this way.
We're going in. Oh, okay, there's a zombie about to come in. Let's run past him. I don't feel like
Oh, I just through that door.
that. Emily almost got eaten. How you doing? I said Emily almost got eaten. Amy almost got eaten. Dang it,
Alright,
Amy.
so you need to go to the other room, I think. No? Or no, you just play the play,
No,
play the piano.
Amy's
Blah, 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 blah,
He's
blah.
our resident Beethoven.
Look at her going at it.
That's not Moonlight Sonata. I'm gonna shoot you in the head.
Hang on.
Play Moonlight Sonata now. Do it now, Amy, or
The
die.
tune she's playing is actually. Is that the theme from Outbreak?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just noticed. It's the theme from Resident Evil
Uh.
Outbreak she played. Interesting. I picked it up. Let's go.
Let's
Did I
roll.
pick it up?
Pipe, Andrea. Do you want a pipe? I'll have another pipe if you don't want a pipe.
Another
If you
pipe!
want to pipe. Oh,
Oh,
run,
oh, oh,
zombie!
oh, oh,
Run, zombie!
Cheers, guys. Cheers.
Right.
Hey, Amy, you okay? You okay in there?
Oh,
zombie!
zombie over there. Yes, be careful.
That might be your invisible zombie. Oh, he totally stabbed me.
The invisible
Amy,
zombie's
run.
gone. I'm gonna go place the thing real quick. Do you want to go get the other
Yeah.
one?
Yeah, it's downstairs though.
Don't you
gotta
bloody
go.
abandon me.
Where are you?
Hey, Amy.
I thought
Amy,
your
where are you?
I thought your
Oh,
PC
there you
was
are. Run,
faster.
Amy.
I thought your game's faster.
Yeah.
Good.
There's a
That's
team.
why I caught up with you.
Oh.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna go place the jewel real quick.
Okay.
Yeah, and we will go downstairs. And hey, Amy, watch where you're swinging my pipe.
Swinging her pipe at you.
Swing the pipe.
Swing that pipe right in my face. I don't like it. Pipe in the face.
Another
Especially my
pipe.
own pipe.
Another pipe.
Get down! Oh, I think you missed it. This week I streamed Resident Evil 1 HD Remaster with.
Oh, I saw you on Twitter with like your mods and stuff, but I
yeah,
didn't see it.
exactly. And I played as Leon.
You
And there was
look
something
fucking
wrong with his
That's
hand. Something wrong. His hand wasn't fully. I don't know. Wasn't properly done or something. But he had like 10 fingers in each hand.
Oh,
So
That's
it
so
looked so
awkward.
bad, and everybody was making jokes how it looked like, you know, Scary Movie. The guy was like, "Grab my strong hand."
oh
You
yeah,
remember that guy?
that's creepy, dude.
Yeah.
Hold on to my hand. Oh, zombie got.
Whoa!
Bob and weave,
Run,
bob and weave.
run.
Baba and
I grabbed the herb if anybody wants it.
Hey, Super
I
Cry's
got her.
here. How you doing, Super Cry?
Super
Everybody
Cryer!
say Super Cry.
Super Crier, get down!
Super Cryer, get down! Oh, we have to keep running, I think. Oh, nothing. Hold on. I think
yeah.
there's some stuff here behind. Hold on. Let me just check.
Oh, hold on. Loggy's gonna play with this pipe here.
Yes, there's a first aid spray. There's healage. Anybody needs it? I have.
Oh.
You go and have it.
Oh, I think a zombie's coming in. Run.
Woo! I'm good at running
Oh
away.
no, my super character tried to push. What a jerk. Oh, I totally got attacked.
I got it. I got the herb.
Dang it.
Oh, look, the zombie's going in. Hold on. Don't get too close. Let him go in. He can move into the next room and he despawns. Don't go. Let him go in.
He's
Well, there's
up
zombie.
in that door.
He will go in. Once he goes in, he can despawn in that room. There's a good
One
chance.
behind us! One behind us!
Oh my goodness! My bad, sorry!
Totally
Let's go!
poisoned.
Okay, there's gonna be a zombie right in front of our face the moment we go in then, because we didn't give him some chance.
Kick, and pipe him.
Yeah, I'm just gonna. Yeah, somebody needs to hold the door for me while I. Oh, hold on! Run!
Oh,
Oh, run!
Running. Hey, wait, are we in the right part? Wow, we are
Get
not in the
me.
right part.
Nice try, though.
I tried.
You
Let's go.
Amy totally deserves one.
Yeah, that's.
Totally
I
got
tried. Well, this is not the room. This is
I
not the
know.
right room. This is
Oh,
not
well,
the
leave
room.
the herb
We
there.
went
Oh,
the wrong
zombie!
freaking
This room. I think it's this
Whoa.
room. Is it this room?
No, but we gotta go through this room anyway. Oh, dang it, my character's not going through the door.
Sneaky double lurk. Super cry, sneaky double lurk.
I've got cabbages.
Oh, wrong room. This is not the right room.
Oh.
Oh, zombie
we went
behind you!
through-
Run!
Running. I'm fat and I'm running.
Which
Oh,
way?
I'm trapped in the corner. It's downstairs somewhere. What the
Is
hell
it this one? Is it this one?
We went in that one.
Oh, we just did. Oops. Maybe this one?
69 subs. Oh, 69.
Really? Seriously? Look at you growing.
Look at my dirty 69 subs. Wait, is it this one?
Oh, this is the room. This is it.
Hashtag Loop69 likes.
Oh, zombie!
Oh, wait a minute. I went in the wrong room. Wait for me. I'm back. Help me. Oh my god! That's bullshit.
What happened? What?
I went in a room and 2 zombies
Oh my
walked in
god,
with me.
she
Oh
took a
my
shot.
goodness. Bad RNG.
Oh my god, help me!
I'm gonna try to resolve this puzzle real quick, guys. If somebody could.
I'm
So
running
it's
towards you guys.
0, 3,
I have a zombie cop and Doctor
0,
in tow.
3, 2, 0, 3, 2, 5. It feels like. Oh, zombie came with you.
Someone's there, help me!
Me?
Heavens!
Oh wow.
Oh, zombie did come with me. Oh, 2 came with me. That zombie cop and Doctor totally followed me. They were
Wow.
across the room. They're totally
What's going on with this game?
spawn
Wow, you okay? Let me hold you for a bit. Let me hold you.
Let me hold you for a bit. What are you guys
I'm
doing
okay.
in there?
Oh man, the door is. Oh, you brought a zombie with you again! Two of them!
I told you they're following me everywhere.
Oh my god.
Good swing, Amy. I saw that swing into nothing.
You guys okay? Do you need healage or something?
I got some healage here. I'm
0,
good.
3, 2, 5, I think. Where's the light?
Yeah,
Somebody needs to switch on the
did
light.
you turn it on?
No. From where do you
Okay, I'm
switch it
doing
on? Ah, from over there. Okay.
The painting over here. Okay, it's good.
Okay.
I'm gonna hold the door.
So, 0, 3. So
Hold that door, fat
3,
boy. Alright, I'll
5.
hold the
Should be
door,
like
and
that.
Amy, you hold me. Ever so gently.
Cuckoo! I got it. Let's go. Help
What did
me!
Levy say? Is it true
Let's
if you
go.
save in this game firing
It's blocked by something. Because
per
you're
game,
holding
you
it.
go to the title screen? I don't know what you mean, Levy.
Open the door. Wow! You
Whoa, running through!
complete novice.
This is not our. This
Amy,
is not our
run.
run.
I'm getting boned here.
Dude, I'm already at like 10% infection.
What about me?
I've
What am I?
gotten 50.
Yes, 10 as well.
You guys.
Oh, wait, I'm at
shit.
12. Hey, Amy,
Where's
stop
Amy?
getting eaten over
Oh,
there.
my God.
Get over here.
Hold her door. Ah, she's.
I have 0
Oh,
ammo.
you got a zombie with you! Run!
Run! Run away! Oh,
I
Amy's
mean,
hurt!
When you run off,
Oh,
you just
no.
let it get eaten.
No, Amy!
Come on, I'm
Don't
protecting
worry.
you. Are you okay
totally
with
gonna
health? Do you
save
need health
you.
items?
Here we go.
Hey, thank you, True. Thank you so much.
I tried holding you, but I couldn't.
Lucky.
Do you need help?
Lucky.
You're bleeding. Oh, you're
Totally
just
needs
bleeding.
help. Let's just get out of here and then we'll get help when we put our
Yeah,
when
meet
we
me
go
in
downstairs.
Yeah, meet me in the main
Meet me
hall.
in the club. It's going down.
Meet me in the club. It's going down.
The sun going down on me.
Nope, that wasn't the song I was thinking of, Amy.
It's true. If you save the game during game firing, hang on. If you save this game firing, hold on. I'm trying to see what Levi says.
Come on, Amy.
Ah, thank you.
Oh, I don't know which door, but there's definitely a zombie trying to
It's
break
this
in
one
of
down
these
here
doors.
now.
Oh, that's not good. Oh, secret room. Let's go.
Secret
I hear
room
a zombie
hype.
in.
It's true. If you save this game firing, you go to the title screen during firing. If you say, I don't know. I really don't know.
I don't know what that means. Oh, alright. Amy needs some sweet herbage. I got some herbage here. Let's get in our study room and study a little bit.
I wish I had a study like that. That looks
Shit.
fucking awesome.
I wouldn't study down there though, I'd just play games.
Yeah.
That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get a room like that. Whoa.
Well, and then you can have your secret evil potions down there.
Alright, let's do this.
Okay. Amy, take some sweet herbage, because you're totally dying over there and it's pretty sad.
Okay.
Amy, Amy, herbage. Get over here.
Just have a look what's here. Oh, it's a memo. That's shit.
Dang it. I can't hold my arm out forever, I'm tired.
So, what do we do now?
We all know why that arm's tired.
Hey, it gets lonely down in my study.
Alright, I have one part of the code elevator, just 4.
Oh yeah,
we need
it's a
more than that.
two-parter thing.
File, torn memo, and bloodstain memo. What's that? No.
Books are piled up here. Oh yeah, where's that other stupid elevator code?
Yeah, torn memo. That's just.
Dang it,
4.
I think because we explore more,
Do you think so?
and now we've just run to right to where we need to go. We missed a couple things. There should have been like some antivirus bills here or
Yeah,
something.
Yeah, I picked
got
one up.
The antivirus and the recovery medicine if you need it.
Oh, okay, no, just use them if you need them. I'm
Hon-
full health, but
Honestly,
I,
if I didn't set this up myself, I
am.
would say this is on hard, huh? Because it feels very hard.
it feels a lot harder than last time. I mean, we have so many
Exactly.
zombies.
Are you ready to go?
Alright. I swear right now, if I get pushed in by a shark again, I'm gonna rage so hard.
I'm not sure what we need to do next, to be honest. Now.
Yeah, now I forgot. We kind of went a lot faster, and I don't remember.
Hold on, maybe it's in the elevator room. Maybe there's the rest. Maybe there's a memo in there.
Oh, that's right. We need to take the elevator to another floor, but we need the code.
Yeah, maybe there's the memo there with just part of it. I don't know.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's right. I accidentally went in that room, and those zombies followed me.
Let's check.
If anybody's still watching my stream, could you let me know if it's like all
Alright,
slow
so-
and laggy or if it's normal?
What is this? What is this?
What is?
There's a lighter.
Oh.
I don't know what we could need it for.
Yeah, I don't know if we ever
Can't
used the
remember
lighter.
anything.
Oh, zombies coming in.
Really? Okay, I'm
Wanna
going in
hold the
here
door?
then.
I'm gonna hold the door. I'm gonna hold the door.
Okay,
and
there's
be
no
a hero.
point
Oh,
in
no,
this room.
Never mind.
Ah!
I need a pipe or something to do
Cheers.
something.
Cheers.
Get him. Oh, there's two of them.
Two of them!
Running out.
Out! Ah! Yo, thank you, Amy!
You guys.
Oh,
will
my
be
gun is
okay.
empty! My gun is empty! I'm out of here.
My gun is empty too. Oh man.
was gonna
this
try.
is,
I
not
tried.
Going well at all.
Wow.
I'm gonna hide out here in the main hall and be
It's not
super
our
brave.
day.
I'm gonna be brave out here. Don't worry, guys.
Oh, man.
Brave out here.
Where's Amy?
Where's
oh,
Amy?
man. Where's
Is
Amy?
she
She's
dead?
behind. Seriously? Oh, my gun is empty.
Oh, Amy
Whoa,
brought
they're
two
right behind
friends.
us! Run!
Run,
Where do we go? Just follow through. Just follow through. Whichever door he chooses.
Oh, I ran the wrong way, guys.
That's, you lead the
Oh,
way.
my zombie's coming this way.
Oh my
The zombie's
goodness.
coming this way too. Bob and weave. Oh, this doorknob's broken. I forgot about the door. Turn around.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, that zombie cop is fast. That zombie cop is fast. Let's run in this door.
Bunch of cabbages rolling down a hill.
Cabbages.
Don't eat cabbage here. That's for
Come
weird
on.
people.
Oh, I really want to do this. I really
Moscow,
want to
relax.
do this.
We're gonna be fine. Wait, where do we?
I might have to
Oh.
pause at some point because I'm expecting an Amazon delivery.
That's fine. We'll protect you, okay? Just like we have been
Yeah,
doing all
we'll-
along.
Yeah,
we'll
of course,
totally
yeah,
protect
whatever.
you, like gentlemen.
No, we will protect you, of course. When I used to play Minecraft, my friends, they used to be like, okay, I'm gonna go AFK for a sec. And you know, they just stand there staring while they're doing their thing, whatever. And,
Yeah.
oh, I forgot the glasses thing. That's what I forgot. The glasses.
Oh, but what does that give us if we do that?
We put the glasses and opens another room.
That's right. Oh, so we have to go in that room across the room with blue.
Exactly,
blue thing.
yeah, I forgot about
Dang
that.
it. See, we went so fast, we skipped stuff.
Stupid vloggy. That's fine. We're gonna speedrun this. Next
Yeah, this is
time.
a speed run. No damage. Melee speed run.
Is this the right room?
Oh, I got the part of the elevator. 284.
Really?
It's right here.
Okay.
I think. Well, I mean, all it says is foreign memo, and it just says 284 on it. Oh, zombies coming in! Run! Run away!
Watch out!
Oh,
Watch out!
baby!
Watch out!
Damn it.
He's trying to. All right, let's go, guys. Let's go. This way.
I'm on this way, man.
Nearly.
Oh, let me get some herbage here.
Oh, I'm gonna heal up.
Is anybody higher than 19% infection?
Oh, I'm just 19.
15.
So like all the same.
Yeah, let's go. Since we have the code
Alright.
now, let's go back to the elevator room. Oh, this is not the right way. Sorry.
Nope.
Such a good leader. This way, this way, this way, this way. I know.
Oh, go quick!
This is the broken knob
Amy-
room.
No,
Amy, don't get
kid,
eaten. Amy,
Yeah.
I said don't get eaten. Oh, I totally punched that zombie in the. Oh god, open the door. I tried to save you.
I always try to say something. Oh, there's zombie right behind me. Whoa, whoa,
Whoa!
whoa.
Whoa, there are 3 zombies over there. Damn it, Bloggy, where did you go?
I'm going to the elevator.
Oh yeah.
Alright, I was trying to say a story, but I got distracted. You know how sometimes, I was playing Minecraft and my friends used to be like, I'm going AFK for a sec, and they just stand there staring. I used to build like a wall around them.
Oh, that's right, in Minecraft. You totally block them in.
Alright, so what's the password?
My code. Oh no, zombie!
What? I don't see
3
anything.
Zombies.
Oh,
3
protect me, guys!
zombies.
Protect me, guys! And tell me what the
4
passcode is! Oh my goodness! Seriously? Seriously? I'm out of here, bye!
Oh my god, I can't even run! I'm getting eaten alive!
I'm out of there. I'm out of there. That's it. Out,
Oh my
out.
God.
Get out of the room.
Oh my god, I can't even move. There are 3 zombies totally taking turns beating the shit out of me.
I'm going in the locker.
I'm gonna die.
You guys are cool, man. I'm useless. I can't help.
I
I'm
have
gonna
no
hide
ammo.
in the locker.
Or,
Me neither.
And Amy has my
Let
pipe.
me know when we're going down the elevator.
Are you sure this is gone very easy?
Do you want to start over, perhaps? Do you want to start this
I mean,
over?
maybe. We're getting annihilated. And
Yeah. Do you want to start over? Amy, what do you think?
No, I'm alright in the locker.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, of course. But we're already
Oh,
at
they're
19%. We're already at 19% virus.
I'm at
And we have
25%
accomplished
infection.
nothing.
Yeah, I'm at 25% already, and we've done
My
nothing.
goodness. We
I think we
should,
might need to
we
restart
should
here.
start it over.
rather than-
And we
I don't feel like getting actually kind of far and then like losing again.
Oh
Exactly.
my god.
Let's start it over.
Yeah, I'm 30% now. Let's just start over.
30%. Dang. All right, guys. This was a joke stream.
That was a test run, guys. We're gonna speed run this now. Well, if I played Albert Bloggy, I know one thing for sure. You can trust him to watch my back. No, I do watch their backs, but I don't have anything. What am I gonna? I can only shout at the zombies. Leave them alone.
Restarting, shutting down.
I'm gonna set up the room real quick. All right, so no, that's embarrassing. Quick.
Amy, you're on your own.
Just died.
I died of a broken heart.
How do I get out of this?
Press select. You get the menu, and then just
Oh,
quit.
quick game, yeah.
Oh, is that what you do? I just loaded a new game like an idiot.
You just close the.
I just closed it and
You
started
close
it
the
up.
emulator completely.
Yeah.
Really?
Died.
What's happened now? Why is it? Uh-oh. Oh, I should have done the same thing as True, I think. Because my screen just went... I mean, the screen is moving. Okay, I'm gonna have to close and open as well, I think. Because it went...
Well, while you're setting that up, I'm going to be making a cup of tea.
Yeah, okay, yeah. My goodness, it's never
Yes.
happened before.
Yeah,
Look at this. So strange. Let's close it. I hate that I have to log in again.
The website doesn't keep you logged in?
Doesn't work. You know what? I'm gonna try it again. Hold on. I'm gonna try it actually. Hold on. Let me log in with the website. OBSRV. Let's try this.
Boom, boom, boom.
Alright, so I'm logged in onto the forum now. Let's see if it works. Take a sip, Vloggy. I talk too much, I know.
Take a sip.
Take a sip. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna take a sip actually.
I'll take a cuppa.
Amy having her cuppa, I'm having my whiskey.
Yeah. Can Amy hear us while we make fun of her? I'm having a cuppa.
It's not cuppa, it's cuppa. It's cuppa.
Like Koopa?
He means a sip of wine. Whiskey, I'm having whiskey. Like a man.
Oh,
Man.
manly man.
Cough syrup.
Cough syrup. I just drink straight cough syrup like a man.
Alright, so next, let's see if it logs me in now. Let's try this. We'll use a net file.
that log in.
Yes. Wanna bet that won't log me in? Wanna bet? I've tried this before.
It better.
Previous connection. Next.
Mine always does.
I would love to finish this scenario.
I know. This is the scenario's wearing on me. True, you're such a wanker.
What? Don't call True a wanker. I'm gonna remove
I
your
don't even know what that
comment.
means. I'm offended.
I'm gonna remove your comment. You shouldn't call him that.
Take that.
Take that.
Oh wait, Jackhammer. I think he's talking crap too. Meanwhile, in the current episode of True tries not to drop
There you
anyone.
go.
Oh,
Signed
Jackhammer.
in as Vloggy Buddy. There it is.
Ah,
There it is.
see, it
Log
does
in.
work.
It does. I think because on the left hand side it still gives you the option to log in and password, and I may have
Yeah,
I may have not noticed that it's signed in on the right hand side.
I bet
That's
every time you've done that,
I
it's just
think
sitting there
so.
waiting for you.
Sorry. Enter hobbies.
Jackhammer. I'm gonna drop you, Jackhammer. Let's
Where's
play.
Jackhammer? No, it's not Jackhammer. It's a Jack Raider. It's some other
No,
Jack.
no, Jackhammer is in my stream.
Ah, hello, Jack. Hello, Jack. Are you ready for some RE5? We're getting there. I played RE1. Now it's 2 and 3 and 4, then 5.
Oh, you're doing it all in sequence, huh?
Yeah, I'm playing all Resident Evil games this month. You know, for the
Nice.
Resident Evil hype. For hype.
Oh, Resident Evil Hype. Oh yeah, when does 7 come out? At the end of this month?
The 24th.
24th. Ah.
I'll be getting it early for sure. For sure, I can feel it. I can smell it. I can taste it.
Ooh, you can taste it in the air. I don't know. I'm kind of scared. That game looks like it might be really hard.
Ah, come on. Come on. You and your Mario Kart.
I know. I just need some Mario Kart 64 in my life. Not all these scary, violent games.
I miss your streams, true.
I know. I gotta start playing some N64 games.
You should. You should.
I might hit up Ocarina of Time. I haven't played.
Yeah,
Actually, you know what's
some
funny is
Donkey
I've never
Kong.
played. What's the other one? The Majora's Mask.
Oh,
I
yeah.
never once played that. Everybody says it's amazing.
You should. Because right now I'm watching Swalby instead of you at night.
Swalby.
Oh,
I don't know who that
Swalby's
is.
so funny.
I'm offended. Can't wait for Vloggy and Barry RE2
No,
co-op.
there's not going to be an RE2 co-op with Barry. It's just I'm going to be on Skype. I was going to say, oops, who uses Skype anymore? On Discord, and on Discord, just backseating him on Discord, and we're going to try to
Okay,
finish it in
so-
2 hours.
I was gonna say, when did RE2 get co-op? Oh, that's crazy.
I've seen mods. Did you make me a cuppa?
Nope.
Didn't you make me one? How do you have
Where's
your
our
tea?
cuppas?
Okay.
How do you have your tea?
I have my tea hot
In a cup.
in a cup.
No, but seriously, like you have sugar or what?
Yeah, I know what you mean. I have sometimes I have 1 sugar if I'm streaming.
And if you're not?
If I'm not, then no sugars.
Okay, so you have the sugar for energy then, like.
Yeah.
Okay. When I'm streaming,
Definitely.
sometimes I go easy on the drinks.
You remember that because when I come out,
Ah,
you'll have to be
we-
making me some cups of teas.
Making you? You can just make for yourself, you know. I mean,
Oh.
you can just, you know, open the fridge and the cupboard and.
you
All right,
guys
the
want
room
me
is
to make you
the
a
room
nice
is ready.
protein shake? That's what I just had.
The room is ready, my friends.
I'm joining. Wait, it was the same password?
Yeah.
A B C 1. It's easy.
Oh no, it's 222. Sorry, it's 2222. Sorry.
Oh, damn it!
Sorry, I forgot.
Where's
Sorry.
my screen gone?
lost your screen?
Yeah.
Like your computer monitor is gone?
No, it's just kind of like froze.
That's what
Might
happened to
be.
me. I mean, it wasn't because the background clouds thing were still moving.
Damn it, Amy, what's the path?
No.
Amy,
Oh,
didn't
yeah,
fly
it's
you.
fine. I'm here. I'm here.
What is it? 2222?
Yeah, or 222. I think it's 4 twos.
Two. There we go. Okay,
Oh,
I'm
I've
in.
gone into scenario. I'm so stupid.
Damn it.
You cabbage.
That's straight up cabbage gameplay right there.
Play Outbreak on
Ah,
grounded
yeah.
mode, Amy.
God, we can't even play it on very easy.
You know what I did yesterday? For the very first time ever, I wanted to try Resident Evil 2 with knife only. I wanted to see how far I'll get. And you have no idea how close I got to the sewers. No, but
Wait,
I
played
did
it on
really
what?
well. I did
You
really
get
well.
past the first zombie?
The past the first zombie. I made it. I got the first 4 plugs. You know, the rook plug and the bishop plug. And I got 4 plugs on knife only.
Oh, nice
Yeah.
one.
My
Oh.
main concern is the alligator. I don't know how to kill the alligator with a knife. We'll see. But
very carefully.
You know what you should do, Vloggy? When you're at work, you should take the PSP and play Resident Evil
Remotely.
1 and 2s and stuff like that. So you don't have to take your console with you, you just got a PSP, you can play it.
You can play that on PSP?
Yeah, you can. Yeah,
Yeah.
you can. No, but I'd rather have the actual PS3 controller. I could
No,
just take my laptop.
Pretty much the same.
It's easier to take my laptop with me, honestly. Take my laptop with me, have it on bigger screen, take my controller with me, and that's it.
Yeah, I suppose.
I used to take my PS Vita with me to work. I used to leave my PS4 running at home, and I used to play remotely from the PS4, remotely from home. You know, from work. You know, while the PS4 is on at home. I used to do that, but now I don't trust leaving electrical appliances on while I'm out. It's just not safe. I've heard stories about short circuits and stuff.
Oh.
That's true.
Yeah, there was this
Wrong
YouTuber.
password.
2.
Amy, 4 twos.
What?
Cabbage.
There was this YouTuber I used to love watching, and then he posted a video saying he went out for a walk with his dog for like 10 minutes. He came back and his computer was on fire. Literal
Whoa.
flames. And his computer was off. It was switched off.
What? Well, I don't know if there's
Yes.
much you can do to protect against that.
But if you're at home at least, I mean you can put it out right away. He came back, he saw it up in flames. It's like, thank goodness it was a 10-minute walk, not an hour, you know?
Yeah, that sucks.
Yeah, I turned most of my chargers and everything off.
Yeah,
even
that's
if
what you
not
should do. I don't
connected.
trust anything.
Nah.
If it were up to me, I would switch off the refrigerator when I go out.
just turn the power off to your place. Hit all the breakers.
You know, it's one way of telling burger. How do you say it? Burger. Oh, I can't say it. People who break into your house. What do you call them?
Burglars?
Burglars. Yes, I couldn't say that.
Growth weakens
Enough whiskey.
organization.
No.
When
It's one way.
becomes
There's one way they can
overshadowed.
tell that I'm not
Wow,
at home.
my game just. Dang it, I was sitting in that room. Oh, I thought the
Skip
game.
scene, yeah?
Ridiculous.
Yeah,
Shit.
skip it. Oh, I thought the game restarted because I was sitting there for so long. I was like, damn it.
All right, guys, follow me. I know exactly what to do. All right, follow me.
Vloggy knows.
Actually, I don't know which way to the room.
Well, that's
This
not very
place too.
inspiring.
Follow through. Everybody, follow through.
Oh, true, we're gonna
Oh,
make
well, I'd rather not while I'm sitting down.
it. Hey.
And
Relax.
has yours loaded already?
That could be
I'm-
a mess.
Oh, dang it. My screen just disappeared.
Raccoon University.
Alright, loading. Dun, dun, dun.
Okay, I'm loaded up. I'm gonna
I'm
dance
still
around you.
Don't you dance around
Oh,
us.
I just saw you running across the room in a flash.
Hey, Vloggy, you made this on very easy, right?
Yes. No, there's no need for easy. It's just easy. Or is there
Whatever.
for easy? I don't know.
You get your first aid spray.
Thank you very much.
Going up. Going up on a Tuesday.
What? What's that?
It's a herbage.
It's a herbage, and let's go to this room. It's this room, right? Is it this room?
Yeah, straight ahead.
I'm gonna put my gun.
Force Amy to play the piano at gunpoint. I'm gonna get my gun out, point at her while she plays.
Oh man.
It's freezing.
You're cold?
It's true. Even
Yeah.
here, it's cold, huh? It's not. It's
It's
not
kinda
temperature-wise. It's not because it's temperature.
Whoa!
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Pick up the. There's a pipe, I think, over there. Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Whoa, 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 we...
Watch out! Watch out! He's teleporting.
Whoa, whoa, he is!
Did you pick up something from over there? Oh, you got the pipe. Yeah. All right. Let's go.
Either
Let's
way,
go.
let's definitely run.
I got the pie.
Here's what we're gonna do.
A zombie's coming from somewhere. I don't know where.
Okay, Amy, you go with True. Pick up the piano thing.
Oh!
I'm gonna go on the other side. Pick up the glasses.
I went in the wrong room.
All right, then you pick up the glasses.
I'll pick up the glasses because I went the wrong way.
All right, you pick up the glasses. Amy plays the piano. I'll pick up the gem.
Got the glasses.
Okay.
Let's do this.
Help me, please!
Teamwork.
Thank you. Good.
Mark,
Thanks. Thanks. Excellent.
I don't know.
Oh man, here's zombie.
No. I don't know.
It's cool that she plays the theme for Resident Evil Outbreak. I like that. It's a nice Easter egg.
Woo!
Ready to go?
Running.
All right, you know where
I'm
to place the
running.
glasses? You know where to put the glasses?
No, where?
All right, follow me. I know.
I'm in the main hall. Or I'm
Try
in
to
the hall.
load the gun with the wrong. I know it's fucking true. Is that Jack Ray there? Is it him? Because he just made a joke. He just made
Where are we
a
going?
joke.
Oh, run!
This way, this way, this way,
yeah.
True, this way.
Okay,
This way,
running that
True.
way. Running that way.
Yeah, use the glasses on the statue over there.
Whoa.
Leave it up to me.
There's a zombie.
Is Jack
Use
Ray
the-
there the same Jack? Because I'm confused now. There's ammo on the floor. Oh!
Yeah,
Oh, is Jack Raider also Jack Hammer?
I don't
Are you
know.
trolling us?
I don't know
He
because
did
he
say
just
a
made
very
the same
Jackhammer.
comment as Jackhammer. I don't know. Are you the same
Yeah,
Jack?
That's a very Jackhammer comment.
Yeah, he
What
said
was
I'm
it?
gonna try to reload the gun with the
Amy,
wrong
Amy.
ammo. And I'm gonna try it
Maybe
again, I
get this
think.
gun.
So funny. Alright. So I'm
Oh,
coming, guys.
yeah,
Wait
got
up,
a
wait up.
handgun.
Ooh, where are you, Bloggy?
Oh, right behind you.
Oh, Bloggy's in my...
I'm teabagging
Oh,
you
yeah.
right now.
You are teabagging me so hard right now. Alright, let's go, guys. Everybody.
Yeah, let's
run where you're
go. Let's
supposed
go.
to.
Let's go. Let's go. Follow me, Amy. Follow me, Amy. Come
Yeah.
on. I want to tell you something.
Amy, come on.
Come over here. I want to tell you something. I should just stand there, present something. Here, take.
Ooh, ammo.
I'm gonna try reload. I am not Jackhammer. Jack is not Jackhammer. No, he said. I'm gonna try again.
I'm not big here. Well, Jack Ryder and Jack Hammer.
9 millimeters.
are
Hold on.
similar.
9 millimeter and 9. They are the same. Combined. It's 9 millimeter. What the heck? Hold on. 9
Bloggy,
millimeter.
quit playing with your gun.
And it says 45. No, it's not the same.
Yeah,
I'm
you
coming,
can't
I'm
put
coming.
9mm ammo. Don't make Jackhammer make a gun comment on you.
Yeah, I had another Jack do the same. Anyways.
Yeah, both the Jacks are gonna get you on that one.
Oh man.
Oh, there's the torn part of the memo. Oh, now the combo's different. I have 161 now. Okay. Well, at least we have it.
All right.
Okay, so let's go get that other eyeball.
Let's go.
It's this way, right?
I don't know. Just following.
Down one of these side halls somewhere. Oh, zombie, run past him.
Yeah, I did. Amy.
Amy, you're not
Don't
running
waste
past
ammo.
him, right? You're doing the opposite of running past him.
All right.
Was that Amy or Bosco?
I think it was Amy. She's gonna blame Bosco.
Okay, this is the wrong way. You've led us
But while
astray,
we
Amy.
yeah, wait, waiting room.
Wait, what's the waiting room?
We need to go back to the main hall.
Yeah.
Oh,
Let's,
run,
oh,
run,
run,
run.
Leave that sweet herbage behind.
Yeah, we left the herbage behind. It's fine. No worries.
We'll be back again when we're running away.
Entrance hall. I'm gonna go place the gem real quick.
Okay. And then where is the other door we need to go into? Is it the opposite side here?
It must be. Oh, it's this one.
Oh, no, this-
It's this one over here.
Oh,
Hold
that's
on.
yeah, that's the elevator one. That's
It's the one I'm standing
Yeah.
next to. This one over here.
yeah.
If you wanna go in
Okay,
there,
we'll
just
start-
get ready.
yeah,
I'm
we'll
gonna
start
go
heading
place
that
the
way.
jewel. Real quick.
You're slalom. Where are you? Where are you?
Run into the middle door. The middle door. We're going to where students have affairs.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, I just saw 2 zombies walk in. Oh man, I have to take the long way around.
That's not good.
Yeah.
Oh no, zombie! Oh no! Really fast zombie! Ow! Damn it! Damn it! She's fast. Run!
They're
run away to the
called-
other side.
they're
Other side.
called-
Other side.
Um,
No, not run out. Just run to the other side.
turbo zombies.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna hide in this room and block the door so
I'm
you
in
guys.
a pencil skirt, and I've got high heels on. It's not all that easy.
What? That's true. All right.
Alright, there's
I'll
a zombie
hold the
here. I'm
door.
just gonna go around them.
Amy, can you turn it on over there?
Yeah.
Come on! Come on! There's a zombie chasing me! Come on! Why'd you hold the door?
Oh, hold on,
I got bit by the zombie while you're holding the door. I'm like, ah! And it was a turbo zombie, huh? It was a turbo zombie.
Puzzle.
Oh man.
All right,
That
I'm
was
gonna-
Amy, by the way.
Did you
That
do
was
the memo
Amy.
thing or not yet?
The memo thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Don't worry. Number memo.
I
So
turned it
it's
on.
it's
I'm gonna hold the door.
it's 03 03
Okay, well I'm gonna watch Amy hold the door.
Oh,
Amy,
zero,
damn it, you held the
zero,
door for like a
55.
second.
Just wanted to drop
I'm
them.
doing this. I'm doing this.
There's 3 zombies! Jesus!
Hang on. I'm doing this.
Oh my god, that was
Almost there. Almost there.
Out of ammo. Amy, give me some of your pipe. Give me some pipe, Amy.
Hang on.
Almost
Ow.
there.
Yeah.
True.
Oh,
I
no.
got some
I
ammo. I
find it.
don't know if they fit your gun.
Ow.
This is it.
Let's go.
Pipe.
Oh, hold on. Give me pipe.
Got a pipe?
Give me sweet
Another pipe.
I'm taking,
Get down.
I'm taking Amy's pipe. Oh, slowly. Wow, this is taking forever. There we go. Thank you for your pipe, Amy.
No problem.
All right. Would you like to meet me in the
In the club?
in the main hall again?
Yes.
All right. I'm gonna go place the thing real quick.
True, big. I don't know who this Jack Raider is. He seems to know a lot of stuff.
Exactly. Big. Shrink.
Somebody's trolling us.
I don't know.
Or it's Vloggy. It's
Another
Vloggy's
pipe.
alternate
Get
persona.
down.
Get down.
Maybe he's been watching us for a very long time, but always lurked, and now he decided to.
Yeah, he's a hardcore lurker. That's okay. Oh, running away.
I opened the door. Okay. I opened the door.
Okay, we're coming.
I don't know where you're going.
Back here.
Back where you
Behind
put the eyes.
door. I just did the
Okay.
long way so the zombie wouldn't follow us easily.
Okay.
Boom, boom. Wait, what? Where? Jackhammer, go into Vloggy's stream and say hi to your alter ego, Jack Raider.
It's true. That's true. It's weird. It's weird how exactly. How is he as Jackhammer over there and he's Jack Raider over here? Hmm?
I know.
Oh no, my secret's been exposed. Jack Raider's like. All right, we gotcha.
And then the other part of the memo.
Yeah, I'm
so the
looking for
elevator's
it.
in
I
here,
think it's this one over here. It's shiny. Shiny. Books are piled. Toward memo. So I have a 4. What is yours? I have a 4.
You have a 4. I have 161.
So it's 4161. Okay, I'm gonna go to the elevator. You guys take whatever you need from here. I'm gonna go switch on the elevator. I'll meet you there.
All right. I don't think there's anything here than like one thing, right?
4161.
Viruses and stuff.
Did you get one?
Yeah, got one.
Is that all of them?
Oh no, there's more of them.
4161.
My character's
Sorry, I'm
like
running
frozen
away, but I'm trying to
grab
get these out of the way. So you have all the
I was
doors
like,
open.
I think we got everything. All right, let's roll out of here. Let's roll out, Autobots.
Autobots, roll out.
Drew has 69. Wah, wah.
4161. Activate the elevator.
Oh! He's zombie,
4,
running away.
1, 6, 1. Elevator's been activated.
Okay, we're coming. Oh my god, that zombie is sprinting like he's an Olympic athlete zombie.
Seriously, Jack. Now Jack
Hey.
Hammer's here. Oh, a zombie's right behind you, Amy!
Whoa! That's the sprinting zombie. He's the
Peekaboo.
Olympic zombie. Oh, Vloggy, why the hell are you going?
Alright, choose
I'm going to what?
What floor?
B4F
B4F, B4F. Let's go
That's
B4F.
this one. Whatever one was
No,
available.
no. Okay, okay, they're both of them here now. There's Jackhammer and Jack Ray there.
Oh, all the Jacks are there. Speaking ugly.
No, he's not impersonating you. He said a few things that you would say. I'm like, how? How does he know certain things? I mean, not how does he know certain things, but sometimes we forget that we are public here.
Yeah. Alright, so where?
I think this is the wrong room. We started off with the wrong room.
Antidote. What is this?
What's in this
Versus
room? I'm gonna check
poison.
real quick.
Yeah, I don't think we're supposed to come here till later. Oh, this is that stupid room we could never get in, right? Because we have to get in this stupid lab,
Exactly. Oh, look at this
and we
place.
haven't figured out how.
Have we been here?
What's in that room?
Ooh, spooders! Giant spooders!
Oh, don't go in there.
Actually, let's come this way. Let's take a look. Let's see where this takes
Alright.
us.
Going in the scary door. Hello, God of Destruction, Yomi. How you doing?
Let's go. Be careful of the spooders, guys.
Loki, did I tell you I'm aiming towards getting a PlayStation 4?
Yes, I'm very happy for you. Yes, I look forward to see some.
Going into the
Oh,
new generation of gaming.
Okay, watch out for the
Very
spiders, guys.
good.
Watch out for the spiders. This one
Did you-
always tackles me.
Yeah, oh good.
Oh,
Yeah, you.
it did it again. Always. It has a thing for
Oh
me.
no, oh no, I shouldn't have gone first. This guy's gonna get me. Oh, he missed. One after Vloggy.
No, it didn't. No. Okay, let's go.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Hammer, did you see? I told you about that other console that's coming out. Did you see that?
What's that?
That's
Oh,
called
the
a
PC. Fuck off.
Oh, you.
Alright, there's some sweet herbage up here. What else we got?
How'd you get across there?
I just walked.
I tried. I couldn't. Oh, wow. How does it work?
It's weird. I don't. It shouldn't because there's no ground there. Your character's
Oh,
kind of
yeah!
So weird.
I
what's
got
over
an
there?
assault rifle.
Oh, what the hell?
Oh, nice.
anything.
All right, there's an herb here as well. I'm gonna pick it up just in case you guys need it. I don't need it.
I'm
I'm
fully
gonna
loaded
pick it
on
up for you
herbage.
guys.
Got it?
True. I wanted to
No.
give you my ammo. I don't know if they're compatible with your gun. Do you want them? See if they work.
This. Okay.
They're the
Hang on, is that what ammo is that?
I'll tell you. It's
Oh,
9
Vloggy, there's
millimeter.
a red herb. The Vloggy, there's a red herb over here.
Oh, hang
Your
on.
herbage.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll take that first.
Whoever gets
Here.
gets them first.
Thank you. Awesome, I'm well equipped.
Whatever. First come, first serve.
Hey,
Where's the
Vloggy.
red herb?
Red herb over here.
Oh, there it is. Yeah, I see it.
Does anybody want the assault rifle?
No, you take it. You take it. You
You take it, kill things with it.
You guys protect me, okay?
I don't know, Jack. You made comments that were just similar. He wasn't pretending to be you, Jack. You just
No, I
sounded
wasn't
like-
pretending.
I
That's
mean
just-
Jack by Jackhammer, not Jack Rage. So we go up.
All
Are we
right.
going the right way?
No, I don't think so. But let's see. Let's see where this takes us.
Whatever.
I wanna like get out of certain areas. Like, fucking hurry up, come on.
Jack Raider wants us to do the dance for him, actually.
Oh, I always forget how to do that dance.
Come on, man. Come on, let's do the dance. Everybody in
Wait, how do you
position.
do it?
Quick turn, quick turn, quick turn, quick turn.
I don't know how to do quick turn. Tell me now.
You press down on your D-pad and then you press X to run. Tap it,
Well, I
tap
don't
the
have
X, tap the running button.
Down and no.
Come on, quick turn.
Dang it! I went back in the old area.
He went back in the old area. He just vanished. So it's just me and Amy. We're gonna dance. Let's dance.
Stop dancing without me.
Da, 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 da,
And down and X.
We can dance. We can dance if we want to. We can leave our true behind.
Hey,
As
wait.
if our friends don't dance, and if they don't dance,
They're no true of mine.
you're not dance. Come on, let's go.
My dad doesn't dance.
We gave up
He's
on it.
old.
There's
old
bugs
man.
here. We've been dancing next to bugs.
Oh my god, that's so dangerous. We shouldn't be dancing next to Killer Moss people.
Okay, we'll just dance while there's all these like fuck off bees around.
All right. There has to be another. Oh, watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
No, Jack, you wouldn't say dance. You know this. Oh, you guys should do him. I'm gonna hit him with a pipe. I'll take this first.
Pesticide spray. I'm not gonna take that. Actually, you know what? No, not for now. I don't need it for now.
You don't want that first aid spray?
Hang on, door's
This is
going.
it.
I'll be right
Yeah,
back.
yeah, we'll protect you. Go over it. No worry, no worry, no worry. Do you want to leave her?
What did Amy?
True. Do you want to leave her?
Oh. Yeah, I'll see you behind. But
No,
first, let me crack her.
no, it would be a funny joke if both of us went on mute on Discord.
Oh yeah, dude, watch on my screen. I'm gonna bash her over the head and take her rifle. Here we go.
I can see you do that.
Give me your rifle, Amy. Oh, I think I just cracked you over the head.
Let's go. Let's leave her there.
Let's go. Amy's dead to us.
No,
She'll
she's
be
she's
okay.
fine over there. She's safe. When we hear her coming back, we just go back to the room. So we're like, we've been here.
Dude, watch.
What? Zombie! Zombie! We should have stayed in that room. I'm going
Why
back.
don't we stay with Amy? Oh,
Oh
Amy's
my
here.
god.
Hey, Amy, we totally tried to protect you.
Yeah, we're here. We're still here. We never moved. Zombie! Where's Amy?
Behind us.
Where's Amy?
Come protect me, damn it! I have nothing.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
I don't even have a pipe anymore.
I found something. I found the machine gun.
Okay, I'm running because I have nothing to attack anything with. Loggy has an M4. RIP, guys. No, Loggy talking that trash. I mean, yeah. Did you shoot me?
You alright?
Oh, I'm okay. I'm gonna use some first aid spray. I'll just use this. I am fine.
Oh,
I'm
you're fine.
girl.
You'll be fine,
I'm
girl.
So fine. Wait, where'd Loggy go?
I just came into the room where you just left from. I'm just looking around
Oh.
real quick.
How do I
The
reload?
next-
I've forgotten.
Your assault rifle? I don't think you have
Whoa,
any-
come on, man. Seriously? There's zombies everywhere.
We're getting annihilated. And we're going the wrong way.
I think so. Let's check this area real quick.
Well, yeah, we're already here. We might as well keep going.
Yeah.
Hey, I think there's like assault rifle ammo here.
It's an assault rifle vlog, not a machine gun.
Oh, that's.
Let me live in
Wow.
ignorance.
There's too much jack happening here. Why is there so much jack? Oh, here's an assault rifle magazine.
Too much
Yo, do you
jack.
guys both have assault rifles?
Yes, only the cool people get to have an assault rifle.
Oh, you guys suck. Here, will somebody take this? Here, Amy, take this.
What is it?
It's assault rifle ammo.
Oh, right. I don't know how to do it.
Oh, bees! Bees! All right, guys. You know that. You know, guys, that room. All right. How do I explain? How do I explain? Keep going straight, and the.
Oh, see, now Jack sees it. Now Jack sees Jack Raider talking like you. I'm gonna run into this door here because there's totally bees outside.
Okay, dude. No, just not talk like me.
Wait, are you in this T-shaped passageway?
Yes, that's right. Is Amy with you?
Okay. No?
Where's Amy?
Amy?
I'm here!
Amy, stop
Here,
being
where?
Amy.
Even I. Oh, they're everywhere!
I'm just gonna use this. Okay,
they're
don't
so
worry, guys.
fast.
I have pesticide spray. It'll be alright.
Oh, you're shooting. Okay, there you are. Oh my god, they're everywhere! Seriously? Why are there so many?
First aid!
Look at you with your deodorant!
That's right.
I'm out of here, man. Let's go this room. Let's see where this takes us.
Amy, run away into this door.
Oh, you have no idea how the conversation is going here in my chat. Jack tells Jack, "Well, I'm guessing you are
Jack, Jack.
you are interested in guns too, Jack."
Oh my god, this is a little too much Jack. Oh,
Jack doesn't know
we got
Jack.
here? Right, Jack don't know Jack.
All right. There's herbage here. I don't know what to do here.
Okay. We have to go up to that wasp tower to get one of the ingredients, yeah.
Handgun
Some
rounds.
herbage.
I've got handgun rounds, and they are 9mm. No, it doesn't work.
Hey.
I'm gonna try anyway. Out of desperation.
9mm ammo, damn it.
What? There you go. Present. There you go.
I'm gonna trade you my sweet, sweet side.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Yeah, I have bullets again.
Excellent.
Bullets can
Good.
be put in magazines to use in a firearm. Isn't that right, Jack and Jack?
I'm gonna shoot Amy.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna put my gun to Amy's head. Amy! You a zombie?
You a zombie.
Help!
Let's go.
Please help me.
Did
you find it?
So funny. Amy's very quiet. Did you get what you wanted, Amy? Or is it not what you wanted?
Oh yeah, what'd you get us on Amazon?
Oh, I got an iPad case. I've cracked my iPad Pro.
Ah,
It was
usually you should buy the
corner.
case before you crack your iPad.
I know.
You put the cart before the horse, or whatever that saying is.
Yeah.
It was in a
Hey.
case actually.
Damn it, Vloggy! Now is not the time to hide in that locker. I'm gonna lock you in.
It was in a case, but the case was just shit.
All right, let's roll out Dinobots.
Awesome. It's pretty.
Are you
Hey,
ready,
hey,
Amy?
hey, hey, hey! Don't get distracted. We're here to save the world.
Oh, sorry.
Let's go.
I have no idea where we're going. We better not run into like. Oh wait, this thing goes up to that huge outdoor place. This ladder, right?
Where are you?
I went left out the door. Right.
All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There must be a ladder here. Yeah.
Now
Yeah,
I'm
this-
distracted. Now
Alright,
I'm
Vloggy.
distracted.
Vloggy's gonna
What?
crawl up my butt.
This is all.
Dang it.
What? Why are you distracted? What?
Hey,
Awesome.
Pixelsoft. Pixelsoft is in Vloggy stream.
Awesome.
Say hi. Pixelsoft.
I got an Apple pencil holder.
Oh,
My iPad.
nice.
Made of apples? That's gross.
Yeah, awesome. The
Hey,
Apple
follow me
pencil
up this
is
ladder
awesome.
before I get scared.
I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Hey, Pixelsoft, welcome. Faro.
Did you find anything?
Hey, what's down here?
When I was young, I thought the
I like you
world
called him
was
Hammericito.
Do not enter door. That sounds suspicious.
Now it was beautiful, magical.
What's this? Oh, there's another handgun down here. Does anybody
Nice. No, take it.
want that? Well, I'll just replace it with the 5 ammo. 'Cause it's 15 ammo. Oh, this is the RPD's official handgun. Oh. Hey, 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 I don't know how to dance. Stop dancing without me. I'm gonna dance. Here we go.
Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. Come on, you know how to do a quick turn? Just a quick turn. Just a quick turn.
Tell me the button.
Come
Step by
on.
step.
Yeah, okay, how would you walk backwards? What would you press to walk backwards?
I press down arrow.
So press the down arrow and then the X to run. But tap the X. There you go, you're doing it.
Look at me.
There we go. La 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 la. Alright, let's go.
Go in this do not enter zone. Two rebels.
You haven't done a help. Help me, please.
Oh, that's true. I haven't required help in a while.
Bees! Run! Run to the elevator! Run to the elevator!
Oh, it's in the middle of the room? Oh, I totally ran the wrong way. I ran the whole long way.
Yeah, I'm following you. Oh, I'm being stung by the bee! Help me!
Ah, I'm in the
Ow,
elevator.
ow, oh,
Wow, these bees do the awesome tackle, huh?
I'm in.
Oh my
I'm
god.
coming, I'm coming, I'm coming!
I'm in the elevator.
Okay, can we
Okay, we
switch
gotta
the
go, we
elevator
gotta
on?
go. Fight them.
It's not working! Power is not supplied!
Run! You totally screwed up, man. Oh my god. Run out.
Oh
run out
my
of the
god.
room.
Oh my
We're doing this in the wrong
goodness.
order. We're doing this in the wrong order.
Me and Amy need to do the stream where
Oh
we
my
sing
god,
together.
Oh my god.
Before and myself.
I'm poisoned.
I don't get what
I'm
you're saying.
dead.
What?
What?
I'm
Dead?
No. Seriously?
You died?
No, not yet.
Ugh, you made me go back.
I'm
Here,
poisoned.
Amy.
Yeah, I'm poisoned
Oh.
too.
Whatever. It's just a little poison. Don't be a baby.
Going in the elevator. The bees have gone. The bees have gone. Come on.
The elevator's not
No,
working.
The elevator doesn't work, Amy.
Oh right. Okay.
Amy's so slow.
That's why we ran
Oh my
out.
god.
Oh man.
Damn
Take
it.
your time, Amy. We're all poisoned. It's fine.
Oh yeah, I'm
We're
totally
only
poisoned.
poisoned.
But first aid spray doesn't heal poison, does it?
No, but at least it slows the damage down.
Ow.
I need some of those sweet blue herbs. Amy, what are you doing?
The packaging just hit me in the face.
Amy, I'm gonna pull this trigger. I have this 9mm parabellum pointer out of your face. I'll pull the
Okay.
trigger.
Okay. Okay.
There's nothing here, so this room is pointless.
Yeah, well, pointless now because we don't have power. We're doing this in the wrong order. We're
I think we are. Yeah, I
way
think we
worse
are.
than last time.
I think we are. Where do we go from here now?
Well, shit. I don't even know.
Huh.
Because that's where you pick up one of the little ingredients that you need for the region or whatever the hell it is.
All right. So no, we have to go back.
I think we have to go back to the elevator and like take another floor.
Yeah. Let's go.
Hopefully we don't die of infection because we're probably all really
Amy's
high.
teabagging me now.
Hey, Amy, stop teabagging. Don't be a Bosco. Oh, and you're teabagging me. Damn it. Everybody's teabagging.
Where do we go from here?
Let's hit the elevator. We're off course. Wait, is this the elevator this way or the other way?
Hang on, there's a
Did I
room
go the
here.
wrong way?
There's a room here actually. I'm gonna
Oh,
check
yeah,
it out.
crawl.
Hold on.
Oh, it's a flimsy lock. Let's keep this door down. Oh.
See you later.
See you later.
Hey, I'm fat.
Help me, please!
Help me, please! There it is. There it is. Oh my goodness, bees! Bees!
Damn it! What is this room? Why is this even a room?
Like a meaningful
Oh.
room.
Go
Oh, this
attack
is
through.
the wall.
Go attack
Oh,
through.
these are
Go get through.
These-
Please don't get me.
these. Hey, go attack Amy.
Help me! Help!
I'm gonna equip my spray now, okay?
Please.
Actually, there's no point
You.
equipping the spray here, actually. I
Yeah,
should
you
save it
can't
for...
use it on
There's a blue herb! It's mine, I tell you! Mine!
Every man for
quick!
himself.
Quick!
Go get it, Bloggy. Hurry up. I'm running away.
Run away! Run away!
You got Run away from the baby. Run away.
Fly with me.
Bye, have a great time.
Fly, fly away.
Oh, damn it, zombie.
You tell me, Varo. I don't know. Has it been fixed? Does it feel like it's been fixed? I did choose...
Oh my god! Zombie! Oh, it's okay. He's gone.
Whoa, I heard that snoring.
I heard it
Stop
too.
snoring.
I am pipe. Oh, I should probably use this. There we go. I'm back to fine.
Oh, blue herb. Somebody's about to get cured. And it's not Amy.
Oh, poor Amy.
Fine, fuck you then.
Don't worry, Amy. We're
I
totally
did choose
just-
low, I did choose low
stay healthy
latency,
so we can
Varo, but
protect
I
you.
don't know if it worked.
You know, it's you two guys' fault that I wrecked my phone. I was repairing it and then I started rushing and then I ripped the ribbon.
What?
Yeah, way to go,
What?
Vloggy. I'm gonna crawl through this door. I unlocked that other door, but that just leads to where we were.
All right, so let's go this way then.
Oh, power supply room for power.
Yeah, baby. Oh, it's quite flimsy. Oh, this way. All right.
Fly with me.
So you were repairing your own phone?
Yeah, I gotta
What is
order
this?
another ribbon now.
Oh, it's like a puzzle.
Oh,
Oh,
don't
the
wanna
puzzle
do a
from RE3.
it's
I have to
a
do like a
puzzle.
light puzzle and make all the buttons light
You want me to
up
Google
or
it real
something.
quick?
Yeah. Uh oh, OBS is acting up. I don't know if my stream's still working. Whatever. Nobody's here.
Resident Evil Outbreak.
Damn it.
Power room.
Pressing
Power
random
room
puzzle.
puzzle.
buttons.
There we go.
Who's smart and has IQ?
Why is it saying Hellfire? This is not Hellfire though.
This is not Hellfire.
No.
Oh, hey, I got it.
You got it? Oh, okay.
Hey, whoa, that was creepy. You two were just standing behind me this whole time. I just saw it. Staring at me, weirdos.
Oh man, Cindy, don't you have like Cindy? Because someone in chat
What?
called you Cindy.
Cindy.
Amy, don't you have
Yeah.
like a bag full of herbages where you can maybe use something?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got herbages. but
Exactly, to
I've
heal,
not got loads.
but to
I-
heal
Well, do you
from your
lure?
poison.
Heal
I've
yourself.
got one blue herb, two blue herbs.
What the hell?
Exactly,
Heal
use it
yourself. Why are you
then.
doing that?
I've got two
What's
blue.
wrong with you?
Use it then. Why you sleep? You sleeping?
Thank you.
All right, we have
Move.
power to our
Please
B-filled
help.
elevator now.
Please help. Please help me. Go now. Please help me.
Amy, what are you doing?
Mark.
Why are you still poisoned?
Oh,
Cindy.
sorry. Oh,
Cindy.
Sorry. Oh, why
Cindy.
the fuck doesn't that do? Okay, sorry.
Thank you. Cindy. Cindy.
Oh,
Cindy.
Hey, how do you say people's names?
Cindy.
I hold R, not R. It's
I'm
L,
call.
L2, and I press up.
Okay.
Cindy. 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 Cindy.
There we go. I'm
Cindy.
fine now.
Cindy. 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 Cindy.
Shut up.
Cindy. Cindy.
We should start doing that whenever she falls behind both of you, both of us.
Cindy. Cindy. Cindy.
Oh man. Ask away,
We did
Jack.
that in the wrong order, and we got poisoned, and now we're ready to go.
Herbages. I love
Hey,
the word
stop
herbages.
saying my name. Oh, those sweet herbages. Oh my!
What's wrong now?
Wow. There's 2 zombies over here. That went the wrong way. We need to go this way.
This way. Let's go.
So we gotta go to the stupid elevator again. Get poisoned again.
Let's go.
How do you know the moth in this game is a she? What?
I say she's a moth. I talk about the moth as a she. It's true, I do that. You see, the thing is this. We have males and females in Maltese. Like, for example, a car. We call it a she. Because it's a female, the car, in
Like
our
a boat.
language. Even a boat is a she, actually, yes.
Yeah, that's boats are she's here. Like, she's a fine vessel.
So yeah, and for moth, it's a she as well as a fly. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Go, 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 go,
But
go!
not-
Before
But not run the long way.
I just saw you get tackled. And I went the long way around again. I went the long way around again.
I'm gonna start the elevator. Sorry, guys.
Let's go. Help! I found an assault rifle.
Well, hurry up.
I found an assault rifle. We need to pick this up.
Come on, let's just go with that.
Come on, guys, please. Help me, please. Oh my goodness. Help me, please. I'm coming. All right, let's go. He looked. Why did you walk out? He walked out.
Damn it, block me. I'm in. Go, push the switch.
We're good.
Ow!
I'm on danger now. I need to be careful. I'm on
Bashed in the
danger.
face right when I walked in there.
Hold on, I need to heal.
Oh,
Oh,
here,
I don't
take
have
some.
healage.
Here, Bloggy, first aid spray.
No, I'm just gonna walk on these right now.
Okay.
All right, watch out. Oh, come on.
Oh, ow. I wouldn't bother trying to shoot. Whoa!
Woo, nice.
Or Bloggy did it at the same time, I don't know.
Oh, I'm getting them with the bug spray as well.
Bobbing away, I'm just
Oh, I got 3 with the bug spray. Can I take
Nice
the first aid spray, please?
Yeah.
I'm on poison as well, though, huh?
Yeah, that's true.
Thank you, and I'm gonna give you this.
What a bag of these.
I found the machine gun. I don't know if somebody left it behind, but I found it.
Amy didn't get poisoned. What's up with that?
We protected her. We did a very good job.
Cindy.
Oh, we should have done that. We missed that. We missed the opportunity.
Cindy. Cindy. Cindy.
Yeah, what?
Oh, there's more. There's gonna be
no.
more here.
Which way do we go?
I don't know, but at
What's
some
this
point
way?
you have to
This
pick up the.
I got it.
You got it?
I got
Okay,
it.
you got it. Let's run. Where do
Yeah.
we go now?
Let's, back up the stairs. Thanks. Get out of here. ASAP.
Go.
I'm running. I'm just gonna keep running. Oh, there's the stairs here. Yeah, there's stairs. Let's go up here.
There's items and stuff, but man, I don't know.
Yeah, there's a blue herb. I'm gonna pick it up real quick.
Oh yeah, there you go. Get that.
Yeah,
No.
we got that. We don't no need to pick it up.
I
We
already
got
got
it.
it.
Because the key
No,
items
you
can be
want it.
delivered to everyone.
Where are you?
Go up the stairs. Go up the stairs. The metal stairs.
In this door.
And then go through the door. The door you find right as soon as you go up. Why, Jack? No, they're well protected. I have 2 machine guns. Hey, who doesn't have a machine gun, by the way?
I don't have a machine gun.
Do you want one? I have one. Present.
Give me one, you greedy bastard.
Don't you have
Yeah,
one
give-
already?
Give Cindy one. Hey, give Cindy one and then give me that freaking ammo.
Alright, there we go. I'm gonna give her the empty one, though. Hold on, let me combine it. Hold on,
Hey,
let me just
Amy,
give you something.
You know you can combine those ammos.
What? Why does it work? Assault rifle with assault rifle magazine. Why doesn't it work? Combine. I don't know, it's not working. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna give you the machine gun. Oh, sorry, the assault rifle.
The assault rifle.
Take it.
see shiny things around here. What's this room?
Oh, thank you. You gave me the magazine.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take some sweet
You
antidote
should
over
probably
here.
take it though, because
Oh,
you
I
need to
can cure the
reload.
poison.
Yeah.
Yes.
Give me. Come on.
Yay! I'm not poisoned anymore.
All right, here it comes. Here it comes.
Then. Watch out! Here it comes.
Here it comes.
Oh no! I've heard that before. Be careful. What are you guys doing?
Oh, thanks for giving me 3 bullets.
I'm kidding. I just joking. I was just joking. Let's swap it. No, I'm kidding. Okay, here's the real one. I'm sorry.
you.
I had to play. All right. So what do we do in here now?
I don't think we do anything. I think we just grab stuff and keep going.
Oh, there's
There's
another
a door
door
back
here.
there.
Yeah.
Oh, OBS disconnected. I don't even know if my stream's
Oh
still live.
noes.
I normally set the disconnection rate to something like 2 seconds, so it reconnects after 2 seconds.
Oh yeah, it reconnected already. Whatever. Nobody's on my stream anyway, so I'm gonna go through this door.
You guys have the V poison on you, yes?
Yeah. Well, no, I don't know.
All right. Okay.
I
okay.
have it, I have it.
All right. Somebody triggered a cutscene.
Target is closing
Oops,
in.
I walked through a door.
All right.
Speedo tyrant.
The thing's too huge. These 9mm are useless. Almost got him. Hold on.
So wrong. He shouldn't be wearing
Calm
that.
down.
It looks like something that guy would wear. You touch my tra-la-la.
Bloggy.
It looks like that's what he would wear.
And should-
All right. So you know what we need to do next, guys? Then yes. We need to retrieve the sample from his shoulder.
Oh, that's right. And but we have to get one more thing, right?
Yeah, it's next to the frogs.
Oh, the frogs. Oh god.
Frog.
We are gonna need Lord Rage with this one, I think.
Jackhammer. How the fuck do you know about that? Jack and Jack are
I
going.
won't underestimate it next time. It
Jack
must be
Ryder
going
couldn't
to
see
the
your
man.
comment, Jack
Might
Hammer,
as
it
well
was
set
blocked.
up. Just in case.
Oh, he doesn't. Well, I wonder if he knows it. All right, let's go. Let's get out because True left the room.
Go.
Okay. Oh, are you still poisoned? There's the blue herb out here.
No, I picked one up. I think Cindy's still poisoned. Are you still poisoned, Amy?
She
No,
didn't
I
get-
don't think so.
She didn't get poisoned in the first place.
All right. Ooh, out here.
Where are you? Where are you?
Out the door.
We're
The back door.
outside.
What
I'm
back
just gonna
door?
run around because there's usually like a bunch of stuff here.
The other door that we came out. Not the one we came from.
Yeah,
the other one.
What?
the only other door in that.
Downstairs?
No, the only other door in that room.
Yeah. Down the stairs?
No.
Stairs. There
Oh,
are no
no
stairs.
It was
What?
that tiny room we were in.
I'm gonna
One
go
was
back. I'm gonna go back to get her.
A...
Hold on.
Go save Amy.
My ding ding
Card
dong.
key.
I'm gonna sing
Oh, what
this
do we
to
need
her.
this card key for?
My ding ding dong.
Oh, hey, hey. What's doing with that ding ding dong?
Where is he?
Whoa.
Oh, hold on. I went to the wrong door. Oops.
Ding ding dong. Ding a ding ding.
I'm
Oh damn it, Vloggy, you're lost too now.
No, I'm not lost. I just went through the wrong door.
I'm here.
You're here as well? Oh, there you are. Now then, where do we go from here?
Good. Good question.
There's something on the floor here. What is this?
Where'd all these
A handgun?
douchebag assault rifles go? They all had like rifles over here. Now they're gone.
Alright, I am very aware that we started from the back instead of the front this time.
Yeah, we went like way.
Yeah, in reverse. Now we have to go back this way. I know which way.
Okay,
This
I
way.
have a card key that says service entrance. and I
Oh,
have
so
the
it's this one.
V-poison.
So it has to be this one then. Come over here.
I'm basically gonna be like a mule. I'm just gonna carry all the items we require. And you guys have to kill
Ew.
everything.
It's true. If you want me to hold something, I think it's this the key to this door then.
Oh, let me see. If it is, I'm gonna go change it out real fast. Do I
There we
need it
go.
again?
No, I don't. I don't know. Do you want to leave it here, and then we know where it is?
Yeah, I'll leave it here.
Leave it here, and then.
I'm gonna go get. I'm gonna do something. Hold on. I'm gonna mix some herbage here.
Mark! Mark!
Where'd that herbage go?
Mark!
There's a green herb somewhere.
Mark! Mark! Mark!
Did you guys grab an herb
Did you
from this
find
area?
anything?
Mark!
Just sit here.
Cindy. Cindy!
Oh, Vlog, you
Cindy.
took the herb.
I took one. I think.
Yeah, there's a red herb over here, so here, you can mix it up.
Yes, please. I'm coming.
I'm over here. I'm coming to you.
Thank you.
Stay where you are.
Let's go next to the door. Because Amy's bored. Let's keep her
Help
entertained.
me, please.
There we go. It's good that when you pick up an item, it says you don't have enough room, but do you want to mix it? And you can just
Oh,
mix it on the
yeah,
spot.
nice.
I like that.
I'm gonna,
You want to make sure?
Hey, prone to being floppy, welcome! Don't
Oh, what
thief
do you
through the dolphins. They're not dolphins, they're sharks. Since you're
Oh my
since we're
God.
correcting each other now, all right? All right, let's go.
Bosco, go and lie down.
Bosco, rub your balls on her leg.
No, don't rub your balls on my leg.
Whoa, who was that snoring?
It was Bosco.
That was Amy. Amy, wake up.
All right, guys, please, guys. We need
Hold
to
on, I'm
plan
gonna
this
mix this
accordingly,
sweeter,
okay?
bitch.
Guys, we need to plan this accordingly, okay?
Okay.
Somebody needs to stay here, and somebody needs
Did you
to
find it?
needs to come with me. Come on. We're gonna go trigger the tyrant. Somebody needs to stay
Okay,
here
well,
next to the.
I-
Somebody needs to stay here next to the clock. This thing, not clock. This electrical
Clock.
thing.
Okay.
Clock. Why
I
did I
will
say
because
clock?
I don't have any ammo, so I can't even do anything.
All right. So, you wanna go with me? Amy, you have to run. Are you ready to run?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where do I
yeah.
run?
Just
And I
follow
don't
me.
trust-
Just follow me,
I
okay?
don't trust Amy
Okay.
with this anymore.
All right,
I had
this
a
is gonna
bad
be funny.
experience
This is
with
gonna be
Amy.
so funny.
Amy, go. Get out of here. Get out of here. I'll shoot you.
Come with me. All right, let's go. Ready?
Yep.
Go. True. Just be ready because we're gonna bring the tyrant with us.
I'm ready, Freddy.
Use True as bait.
Yeah,
That's what we're doing. All right, let's go.
And
gonna be here, super concentrating.
Run.
Where?
Follow me. 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 What's going on?
He hit me.
He's here already. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. This door. This door over here. Come on, follow me.
Going. Go on.
All right. Now, what we're gonna do? We're just gonna keep running. Running.
Where
No,
is
no
my
time for the herb. No time for the herb.
Are you picking up Urban?
She stopped to pick up the herb. We're being chased by Speedo Tyrant.
You?
I got a herb.
You got it. Yes, you were lucky though. Let's go. Run. Keep
better
running.
than that.
Keep running. No time for stopping.
Let me know when you're close. I'm super concentrating real hard.
Okay. Let's go. Where is this leading? I don't know. I should know.
Oh, what was that? Are you guys coming in? I heard a door open.
Oh, yes, we're coming.
Oh, okay. Is he behind you?
Yes, be ready.
I'm ready.
He's coming. Be ready. Be ready.
Super ready. Still ready. I'm still
He's coming. Whoa, you got him like a boss. Sailor Mars, welcome.
I'll get it.
Okay, let's keep running. Let's go back. I don't know, this door. Follow me. This way. This way. Whew. Now, where do we go from here?
We have to go
We have to
just
go.
to that, where on the left side of this, it's hard to explain. Go character left. Go stage left.
I'm just gonna follow
Over
you.
here.
Okay.
Yeah, just go this way. Oh wait.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we go in this door here.
That is not your favorite door. You shouldn't take that door.
We totally have to go
You're
this
not gonna
road.
like that door.
Up here. God damn it. Oh, I already see our friends down there. They're all like, oh hey.
Is this where we need to go though?
Oh wait, or maybe this is just where we come from.
Exactly.
Oh, I thought this led to the pier.
Exactly. That's what I
Where
mean.
does this door? Where does this go then? Wait. This is on the
Oh
opposite
yeah, we
side.
need to go through here actually. Yes. Because this is gonna lead us to the elevator from here.
Wait a minute. This is where we always run to.
Yes,
We're
but
doing this in reverse order.
we're doing in reverse. Yes, but now we need to go back to the elevator, and instead of B4, we need to take something else. So we can go next to the frogs, the frog hunter thingies.
Yeah. Oh boy.
Are you ready, True?
No.
Are you ready, Amy?
I'm not. I'm gonna be so angry. He starts hitting me again.
Who wants to go first?
I'll go first. Go on.
I'm going first. Screw you guys. Whenever I go last, I get hit.
I'm scared. I'm the last one, and I'm scared.
I'm out of here. Attack them.
Oh, 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 oh!
Bloggy, swim. Swim, Bloggy. Do not get eaten. Please do not get eaten.
I'm done. I'm done here. I'm done here.
Don't worry. I'm gonna watch you.
Yeah,
I'm here to protect
Oh,
you.
it's over. It's over. It's over. It's over.
Oh, you're dead.
Damn it.
That's where we were going, Jackhammer, actually. We're gonna go to check on George, because George is lying there and he needs to... Can you guys keep playing without me?
Yeah.
Alright.
I mean,
Do you want to keep
could.
going? I don't mind.
Okay. No, I don't mind either.
Alright, you keep going. But the problem...
Amy doesn't care. She's like, oh, good, he's
Amy
dead.
doesn't care. Amy doesn't care. Hey,
Amy is an
mercenary.
emotionless
Oh,
monster.
man.
Yeah, sure.
Alright. Alright, Amy. You're
I hope you
officially
die
the
next,
killer.
Amy.
Yeah, I know. I'm the one with all the important items anyway. Oh, damn it.
I have an idea, actually. I know what to do. Are you still streaming through?
I'm still streaming. I think so. I don't know. My stream might be broken or something. Maybe you should check it out.
I'm gonna check,
Oh, no,
yeah,
I
I'm
guess-
gonna check.
I guess it's still
If
going.
you're still streaming, I can stream your stream. If that makes sense. No, no, no. Let's see.
Alright,
Oh, I see
Amy,
you.
you're
Alright.
officially
I
the
hope
killer.
you die next, Amy.
Yeah, I know.
No, no, no. Hang on.
I'm the one with all the.
Hold on. Sorry. Okay.
Alright, Amy, get in here.
Oh, look at you
You
with the
saved the
face
world.
cam. I'm gonna leave a like.
Oh, I know. Nobody face cams. Amy and Vloggy won't face cam.
No,
what's this?
we're both hideous.
Nah,
Can't
I'm
do
not
that.
fucking idiot.
What's your?
Cheeky
Hey,
shit.
what's your
Oh,
what's
man.
your poison at, Amy?
38.
38. I'm at 44.
We both didn't shave.
Yeah, I didn't shave today. Oh, that's my day off. Amy didn't shave today.
That's what I said. Both
Oh,
me
what
and
are
Amy
you
didn't
doing? I thought you was going down the fucking sewers.
I was just walking. You're the one running. Hey, Supercar. Supercar says no. So where the hell do we go now? Down in those sewers?
I don't know.
Damn it.
They're mocking us. They're laughing at us. Well, they're laughing at me. You three are a dream team, yeah. The looped dream team.
Crier only on true side.
Oh man, your stream stopped. It says
Did it?
streamer stopped streaming. Why did you stop
I didn't stop streaming.
streaming? It says the streamer.
That I
Well,
know
YouTube
of.
is blaming you.
Oh, yep. It says I'm not receiving data. I don't know, man. I'm still streaming.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
I don't know. I don't even know anymore.
You guys familiarize yourself with the area. Maybe we can speedrun it again. I want to do this. I want to do this. I am so tired of
wanna-
losing this.
I'm really angry that we keep dying. I mean, I'll give it one more go if you guys want to.
I'm
nah,
up for
I'm
it.
gonna give it a miss because I'm gonna be streaming later. So
Okay.
Okay. Do you want to go through? You
Well,
want to give it a go?
well-
I mean, you keep playing. Keep playing. It's fine for now.
I'll watch. Speedrun high.
Did you manage to find the area with the
Oh yeah, I don't know my sheet.
frogs? Well, frogs. I keep calling them frogs. They're hunters. Alpha.
Oh, they are frogs.
Alpha hunters. What are they called? Alpha
Yeah, they're
or
frogs.
gamma? I don't know. They call them something. Gamma hunters. Alpha
Yeah,
hunters?
Gamma Hunters. Gamma Hunters.
If we can memorize exactly where we need to go, we could do this. We can do this.
I'm gonna leave it to you two.
I really want to do this.
Are you starting again?
Did you die?
No.
No, it's
Um,
it's fine. Keep playing. It's fine. You can keep playing. I don't mind.
But True's just standing there.
Oh, I was just trying to see my stream. It was all jacked up. I didn't know if we were gonna stop or what.
So I'm waiting for you guys to finish the game and. You
Well,
guys
I
are
don't know. I
funny.
guess we can go. We're not gonna make it. But screw it. All right, I'm gonna go down in the sewers. Let's do this.
Oh man, I had to be the one dying first this time.
See, now we know we shouldn't go that reverse way, because if you get knocked off at the beginning coming the other way, you can easily swim to where you gotta get up again.
I was confused where I had to swim towards. I was just confused.
Yeah, it's a very swimming is so awkward in this game.
And let's face it.
No. Ah!
Let's face it. Actually, you can do that without swimming. You see, we made it to the other side without swimming. So actually, we can go back and forth to both sides without going to cross there. Really.
Oh, I think is my stream working again?
It is now. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Well, hold on.
Oh,
Bloggy,
Well-
do you want to tell Jackhammer that I haven't uploaded it yet? I've been lazy.
Hang on. Did they upload
should
how
be
to
able to
play
hear you.
Outbreak on PS3? No, she still hasn't.
oh, we went the wrong way. The other way.
It's that complicated. It's just giving me a headache trying to put the.
Yeah, they
Video
can hear you. I mean, you could have just said it. You're on my stream.
Yeah. They
Where
might
are
not
you?
understand you because they don't speak British, but they go the other way. The way I just ran, go the oh, you with the assault rifles, come protect me, damn it!
Well, I don't know where you are.
Run. There's only one door you can go in that that whole walkway.
Okay.
And like from where we came in, go right. Oh my God, this is a zombie coming.
Ah, where are
Okay,
you
but
now?
just run. Go up the ladder.
Okay,
I'm just
up the
hiding
ladder.
from this zombie because you have all the
Don't-
guns.
Just get
crawl
your
up-
balls out my face.
Crawl up my butt and take care of business out there.
Yeah, stream keeps freezing on your end. It
That's it,
Yeah.
man. It was fine the last time I streamed, but then the time before it was all garbage like this. I don't know.
it's so weird.
I just don't know anymore.
Your OBS is all like, help me please!
Help me, help me.
I got a rank F.
Yeah. I don't know if we're going the right way. I think these halls look familiar. Oh, damn it, zombie. Hey, you. Assault rifle girl.
Yeah,
Kill
what?
things. Ow, 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 ow. I got attacked. Kill that zombie.
So yeah, my point is we can go back and forth across both areas without having to cross that bridge, really, the sharks area. We can-
Yeah, that's true. We
Yeah.
can just go the long way. Let's go through that door. I think this is a way. We have to do something really specific down here. We gotta like turn on some power, or oh, that's a zombie. I'm gonna go in this door. 'Cause I don't know where I am.
The question is, if you're still playing, that means the room is still open. Yeah, but I can't join, probably.
Oh yeah, probably not. We can try. Oh, I got a regent case.
Well, at least I just got
need that, right?
eaten by a shark. It's much better than the sadness of becoming a zombie. Help
Alright,
me, please!
so-
Please help me!
I put the thingy in the thingy.
And for some reason,
I got P-base.
after I quit the game, after I die or whatever, the game just goes into this screen, and I can't do anything.
So what do I do? I think we have all three of the things, right? And then what do we do with them?
I don't know.
Hold on.
Ah, your stream is back on.
Hey, kinda.
Oh,
Probably
you're
for
doing
like
the
five-
thing in the machine. I see that. You're doing the thing in the
Yeah.
machine. Okay.
So I have the P-base, I have the V-poison, and I have the T-blood. So inside these components in the incubator located in the lab. So
You know what we
the hell
should
I
do?
now?
You know what we should do to save some time? All of us get different items. Somebody goes after the tyrant, somebody goes after the frogs,
I
somebody
know, we
goes
could
after
just
the
do it all
bees.
at once. Yeah.
And honestly can't think of the easier choice because they're all so tough.
Yeah, they're all horrible. Okay, so Amy's running around in circles, being really helpful. Oh, where's that? We need a key that's like a red key. I think I picked that up last time. I don't know where it was though. Amy, you pick up any keys?
Nope. Handgun and rounds, I love those.
P-base. Oh, depleted. Oh, what the hell? The P-base dies?
Dies.
It said P-base, and now it says P-base depleted. It's been exposed to air and evaporated, making it useless.
What? So the
Did I just like lose the game?
so
You just fucked up, didn't you?
what? You have a
What
limited
does that
amount
even-
of time.
I can't even like put it back in the machine again.
No, seriously.
How does that happen? That didn't
I
happen
don't
last time. I didn't
believe
even
that.
use it. I had nothing to use it on. How could I expose it?
I don't know anymore.
Man.
Unbelievable.
Man. All right. I think we're gonna call it.
You want to try one more time, you and me, since Amy,
I'll give it a go again.
since Amy's checking out. So.
Amy is a punk and won't play with us.
No, I'm just kind of like.
Oh, you want to go, Amy? You want to go? I got 5 bullets.
No.
I mean, you can stay on Discord with us if you like. It's fine. If you.
Yeah, okay, I'll watch
Yeah,
you guys.
You can give us emotional support.
Yeah.
Want to shoot you in the head real fast though?
Yeah.
Hey, Amy.
Yeah.
Say cheese. Looking at the camera.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Just gentlemen.
I'm a true gentleman.
Yeah.
All right. Quitting the game. Say hi to my corpse.
I am so annoyed that we still haven't been able to beat this.
I know.
Come on, we can speedrun this. We can speedrun
We
this.
can do this. We can do this. Okay, I will go upstairs. Oh, yeah, I'll go upstairs. Do you want to go downstairs, or do you want to stay together for those first
let's
two
stay
eyeballs?
together. Yeah, let's stay together. Let's stay together. Let's do that.
Okay.
I mean, it's better that way.
Yeah,
That's
the
why let's
downstairs
go.
one's pretty dangerous.
Dun, dun, dun,
Is my
dun.
stream broken again? Let me see. Are you there, Amy?
Yeah.
Amy.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna
Speed
speedrun.
run.
We're gonna
Melee
speedrun
only
this.
on grounded professional pro mode.
Don't make me choose. Don't make me choose very hard.
Yeah, don't make sure that it's on easy.
You don't believe me, eh? Because if
I don't believe you.
because
There are
I
so
mean-
many more zombies.
Yeah, I know. I agree. If I wasn't the one that chose it myself, I wouldn't have thought. But
Oh,
it's-
am I stuck at the screen like you were?
yeah, it's
Little-
blue. It's like the clouds thing, like the
Yeah,
clouds.
the little blue background.
Yeah, they
Okay, I
still
guess I-
move, but the game is frozen, eh?
Awesome. Yeah. I'm
Yeah,
not-
same thing with me. I had to restart, so it's not just me then.
All right. Starting up.
We're gonna need rage. Where are you, rage?
Or I'm gonna get raged.
And you know what? If we're playing with rage, we'll do this. Like, okay, me and Troy are gonna go get the gems, because that's all we
Yeah.
know.
You
The
do
rest is up to
everything
you. We're gonna
else.
follow you around with the rest, okay?
You do everything, and we'll be right behind you.
We'll hold these assault rifles.
Yeah. Oh man, I'll be the donkey again.
All right, setting up a room real quick. Network. Are you working today?
I'm off.
There you go.
I'm relaxing.
There you
Slept
go.
until 5:30.
There you go.
I stayed up till 9 o'clock last night. Oof, I was sleepy.
All right. I went with an alternate costume. If you want to go with an alternate costume as well.
But I don't
Just
have
for
any.
fun. You don't? Okay, never mind.
Yeah, you have all the cool costumes.
So when you browse through the characters, it doesn't give you like Mark B, Mark C, all those.
Nuh-uh,
All
no.
right. Okay.
Well, what is that?
Interesting. She's got a Kit
noise
Kat or
happening?
something. She got Kit Kat or cookies or gingerbread cookies.
She got crumpets and tea again. Blimey.
I love your English accent, Drew.
My English accent always turns into an Australian accent or something. I'm like, hello, I'm English and I come from Australia. Hey?
The room is ready. I feel
am
like I should have told you
loading
that.
in as we speak. most likely I'm loading in as we speak.
If I were playing, I would be the walking ammo storage. I just know it. Jackhammer. Come on, Jack. What's keeping you from playing this with us? Come on.
Yeah,
Join
I'm being
us.
a punk, Jack.
Join us.
Put all that gun knowledge to work
Come
in
on.
this
We
game.
have more slots. Come on. We need the
Uh-oh,
joinage.
my
We need the
game is,
joinage.
Joinage. To use our herbage.
Exactly.
Okay, my game is like, I have like a black screen and nothing's going on.
Really? You died?
That's weird.
Come on, because I
I've
really
done
have
that before.
I really have a good feeling now.
Dang it, as I was loading, it just... Alright, stop this again.
Oh, you touched
Oh,
my
oh, there it goes, there it
tra-la-la.
goes.
Alright, you see because I sang tra-la-la.
He said, shoo-la-la.
My ding ding dong.
Ding, ding, dong. Ring, ding, ding,
You ever heard
dong.
that? Yeah, you heard that. Did you hear the song or not?
The ring, ding, dong song?
Yeah, the tra-la-la.
I don't know if we're thinking of the same song.
Well, I mean, it's by the same guy I sent you the pantalones thing. Did you like that one?
Oh, yeah.
That was so bad. You're still not in the room, eh?
Broken dog. Shut up, Steven. Nobody loves you.
Is Steven there?
Yeah,
Steven!
he's being a bag of D's as usual.
No, it's not. It's working. It's the one time it's working, actually. Why are you saying that?
Yeah, I know, it's actually working. He says it's broken, but I don't care. Why are you watching my stream anyway? What's the password again? Is it twos?
Yeah, that's right. All twos. 4 twos.
Quit staring at
Oh,
me
you're
stream,
here.
alright? I'm not gonna drop my bobs for you, Steven. Okay, I'm ready.
Let's go.
We're gonna beat this thing, and Amy's not gonna be a part of it, and she's gonna be totally jealous and cry.
Yeah, this time we are gonna beat it. I have a feeling. I don't know why. But I have a good feeling about this.
Yep. Amy, where are you? Where's our emotional support?
Did you die?
Amy.
Amy,
is-
please!
Amy!
Amy, please! Please, Amy!
Moscow! Come here, boy!
Look, it's Alpert!
Alpert! Alright, let's skip all these. We've seen enough Alpert today.
Yeah. Oh, I love Alpert.
Ding, ding, dong. Ring a ding, ding. I think you're.
I don't know, but it feels like they have reused
This place too.
Albert Wesker's skin and they just put some glasses on him.
Yeah, glasses made him like a year older.
It really looks like him. It really does. Alright, let's go.
This is it. This is the one.
This is the one. I have a feeling that this is the one. Let's go grab the herbage, the healage, the first aid.
Yeah,
Look at
going
me!
upstairs first? Oh, hey, cowboy!
Yeehaw!
You're ready to be a Chippendales dancer. Oh man. Hey Steven, say hi to Jack. Jackhammer's like twin brother. Jack Ryder.
Twin brother. I put my gun.
Hey, Crier! Yeah, my stream is working for the moment. That'll last about a minute. Alright, I'm getting this herbage. Let's roll out.
Roll out.
Oh, I haven't even equipped my gun. Are we agreeing to run past zombies first? for
Well,
now?
if we can, if there's just one, then it's a wide space. We can go around them. Yes, why not? But if it's
Alright.
very narrow, then we got no choice. I don't know.
Alright. Well, we
We'll
know
see
there's
what we
gonna be
can
like
do.
multiple.
Ooh,
assault
there he is.
rifles.
There's one over here.
Oh, I'm coming in. I'm coming
Whoa!
in.
Ah!
Super slow. Super slow. Oh no!
Thank you very much. I was gonna go for this.
I need your help.
Get that,
Look at me. I'm
that
wearing the
hard
hat
blocking
now,
type.
like a pro.
Oh, like a pro. Oh, you know what?
I get to keep the pipe now.
Yeah, you can hold on to your own pipe for once.
I got nobody to
Alright,
give
so we gotta go
the
in
pipe
this-
to.
Oh,
Whoa!
run.
I'm gonna go to this door.
Okay, we gotta go this route first because we don't have a piano player.
But you have to
There's
pull the
Amy.
thing. Yeah, I'm gonna be waiting on the other side then. So you can pull the
Okay.
thing and I grab the thing. Grab the glasses as well.
Oh yeah, that's right. I'll grab them.
I'm just gonna wait here for you to pull the thing.
I'm gonna pull that thing so hard. I got a zombie coming in after me here.
feeling we're gonna do this.
Oh shit! The zombie came
Hashtag
in.
outpart.
Oh shit! I might have pulled the wrong one.
Oh
Did
no
it
no no!
work?
It's going down. Yes, it is working. Yes.
Okay, cool.
Okay. Did you get the glasses? Do you need me to join you in the room?
I got him. I got him. No. I'm running out. Oh, I got hurt.
Do you need some help?
Oh, damn it! I got bleeded. Nah, I'm just running. Really suck at shooting. How do you know that? I hate you so much, Steven. Go fuck yourself. Steven, go play your 2D side scrollers that you suck at.
Oh, you're hurt. Let me hold you, my friend. There we go.
Oh, you're so sweet. Let's
There we
get out of
go.
here. I
You're
got
just
those
bleeding, are you?
glasses.
Are you just bleeding, or you
I'm
need?
just bleeding. Yeah.
Alright.
I already used health, so I'm good.
Put the
Oh,
glasses
there's
on.
handgun ammo.
Put the glasses there.
There's handgun ammo's in that corner.
Ooh, nice. Let's go.
I don't know if it's mine or your handgun. Let's see. Oh, it's mine. Man, Jack and Jack in your channel are super depressing.
I know, right?
Oh, there's another handgun up here. Do we want to hold on to that?
You can
for
have
now?
it. It's fine.
I guess I'll grab it for now.
What are these guns doing in the university?
I know, this is university. It's very dangerous.
Yeah.
Assault rifles everywhere.
Yeah. How did they get them in?
Ding, ding, dong. Ding, 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 ding. Oh man, I really need to learn how to quick turn. That's gotten me hurt so many times.
All right. There's some ammo here on the floor as well if you want.
Is it my ammo?
I don't know. Check.
Yep, that's my ammo.
Let's go.
Thanks.
I said thanks to myself.
Whoa, I
I
my
thanked
character
myself.
Was like, it said you unlocked it as you already opened the door and went through. Okay, I don't think I unlocked it.
All right. So we're here now. Now which
Oh,
way?
I don't want you to. Please do not suck my 2D side scroller, Steven. That's ooh,
Well,
no,
memo
don't do that.
032. All right. So this is
Oh, it's
032.
changing.
Yeah,
Okay.
it changes.
Alright, now you gotta get that stupid clock one.
You see, and they're agreeing between each other now. They're like, they're like, yeah, true.
Yeah,
Oh,
I don't like this combo, Jack and- Oh, hey!
oh.
Run, 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 run! No, don't fight him, just run! He's after me, go!
Oh, he got me again! Oh, I'm a noob.
You okay? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Keep running. Keep running. Keep running.
Okay, I'm gonna take the Surbage,
Take
keep
the
going.
bitch.
Get out of here, let's get out of here.
Oh man. While we're here, we might as well just put the thing.
Yeah, have fun at work there, Doug.
Thank you, Doug. Thank you for stopping
Doug
by.
saying hi and bye. Oh,
Whoa,
run
whoa,
fast,
whoa,
run
whoa,
fast.
whoa, 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 whoa! Run, 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 run. I
Get
missed
away
the
from
airbridge
me,
though.
zombie.
I missed the airbridge.
Yeah, I missed it too.
That
Not
is
worth it, not worth it.
that is the airbridge that Amy stopped to pick up when the tyrant was chasing us. It's like,
Oh.
ooh, herb.
Oh, Herb.
Alright, I'm gonna go place the.
Oh yeah, place the eye, yeah. And then where is it? It's in the second door, right?
Yeah, the one
go.
that's next to you. That's where you are.
Okay.
I'm gonna be there in a sec.
Alright.
I'm gonna use the spray apparently because I'm on red caution.
Oh,
Is it-
jeez.
Is it red caution? Well, I got bitten twice. How can you tell if it's? I don't know.
I don't know. Alright, there's a
Zombie's
zombie
coming
in here.
I'm coming.
I'm waiting to see which side it's on. Oh, on that side. Oh, it's a super fast secretary zombie.
Oh, I hate those.
I'm doing laps.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Alright, go this side. Go this side. Wait.
No,
wait, go
that's
the
the wrong side.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Damn it. Are you okay?
I'm dying! I'm dying! Help me, please!
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
Please help!
Oh,
I'm gonna
oh,
heal real quick.
There's-
Now I'm in danger. Alright,
No,
I'm
just
good.
go.
I'm good. Let's go.
Just go.
Let's go.
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 Damn it.
Aren't you coming with me?
I'm coming. I'm right behind you. I'm gonna hold the door.
Oh man.
You get to work. Unless they come in right behind us. That
I'll switch on the light real
Probably.
quick.
Yeah, get the light first. I'm gonna hold the door.
Oh, I need to read the memo. Oh, two of them! Oh
She didn't even open
no!
it. Both of them did. There's three. There's three. Jesus. Get off of me, secondary zombie. Jesus.
I don't think. Oh, she's dead. Yes. All right. I'm gonna quickly read the memo. Give me a sec. So it's usually 0325. It's always 0325. It's always 325.
on the lower difficulty. Each difficulty has one set.
Oh, so there's no point on reading it then.
Yeah, no. If you already know it.
325. Yeah. Unless it's one of those games that tells you you don't know the passcode, so you can't enter it because you haven't picked up the file.
What now?
Yeah.
All right, we're good. I got the jewel.
Got it. Let's
I
roll.
got the family jewel. Let's go.
Dino bots roll out.
All bots roll out. Jack is like, yeah, I told you. He's getting revenge. Drew's getting revenge on you for using him as bait. Now, which way?
Yeah. Wait, what percentage are you at?
I am at 13.
13. Here, use this blue herb real fast.
Does it work?
Damn it.
Where?
I was gonna. I wanted
And
you
you
to use
used
it,
it.
and I accidentally used it trying to persuade you. Damn it.
Oh my goodness.
Fail. That was a hardcore fail.
I have a feeling if I play this on my own, I'm gonna beat it right away. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm never gonna beat this on my own.
Dang.
Alright, let's go.
This game- I would never want to play this on my own.
I
Oh,
must
zombie,
have
I heard a
beaten this.
zombie.
Yes, I'm gonna place the thing
Okay.
real quick. Hold
Alright.
on.
Doors open.
We did it. Alright. So now we go straight for the elevator. And we take the other one. B whatever.
Yeah, not before.
Alright.
That's what we did last time, and then we did everything in reverse, and that's kind of messed us up.
I'm gonna skip the
Ow.
cutscene.
Given cutscene. It's a dead guy. We're so afraid. We've
Yeah.
never seen those before in the zombie apocalypse. Alright.
Maybe he's surprised he's not walking around. That's why.
Yeah, he's actually dead. Yeah, so we gotta get the 3 ingredients and put them in the incubator. And I don't know how we get into that. That's where we got stuck last time when we just ended up dying because we didn't know how to do it.
Yeah, probably.
So 4, what's the elevator code then?
I'm gonna take the antivirus. Because I'm on. What
Alright,
percentage
yeah.
what percentage are you on?
I'm at 12.
I'm at 14, so I win.
Yeah.
I win.
I win.
I'm
I win
di-
the I'm dying.
I'm gonna die first, I win.
Yeah. So 4032 is the elevator code. 4032.
What? Sorry?
4032.
Alright, let's go. I'm gonna go switch it on. 4032, 4032, 4032.
Go, go, go. Is that Bosco eating chips in the background I hear? Bosco, what are you doing?
Bosco! Bosco, please!
Bosco, Bosco, help
Bosco,
me.
please! Please, Bosco! Where's Bosco?
Bosco.
Where's Amy,
Bosco
actually?
might-
Steven.
Bosco might.
There she is!
Hi.
There she's
Hey,
back.
where'd you go?
I went to do some stuff.
Oh, sorry, no, Vloggy. I know you abandoned us. I already knew that.
402.
Cowboy hat though.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Activated. Let's go.
Vloggy was a male stripper before the zombie apocalypse happened.
Ah.
Like Shava in Resident Evil 5.
Just like in
Her
real
outfit.
life, Vloggy is a male stripper, so it works.
Let's go.
Alright, so what floor? We're not going to.
We go B to F then?
Yeah.
B to F it is. Let's go.
Bloggy. Easy
Ah,
to
okay.
hang out with security guards. The rest are from UBCS.
Yeah, I heard that.
Okay, so here we are.
Ooh, I'll take that.
Frickin' shark. Hey, you guys is dying.
That's George. I am George. Does he give us any? Does he give us a key item or not?
Oh, hey, you got ammo? Here, take this gun. Instead of that stupid pipe.
Yeah, I'll take that.
Here.
The pipe!
I'll give you the pipe.
I
I gave you my pipe.
Bloggy's always giving me this pipe. I don't even ask for it.
There's antivirus here. I'm gonna pick it up.
Yeah, I got an antivirus and a recovery medicine here.
Me
so.
too. Yeah, I'm gonna
I
see
wish
what's
I
over
knew
here.
how long the antivirus you were using lasted, so you wouldn't like waste it and pick another one.
All right, so now we have a choice. Either we go down, or we take this
Wait,
door.
what exactly do we do in the sewer? Because we don't get any of the ingredients we need in the sewer. What's that thing we get?
Well, from the sewer. I don't know. Let's take this. Let's go from here.
Alright.
Ooh, it's raining hail out. It's hailing out.
In the game? Or in real
No,
life?
no, in real life. It's
Oh,
hailing
my
outside.
Dang, Bloggy. Oh my kinky. Bloggy just giving away his pipe. Bloggy
Yeah,
only
usually-
gives his pipe away to special people.
Usually it's just me on my own. I don't have. We're in my pipe.
Bloggy's just taking his own pipe. Yeah, I take care of my own pipe from time to time, so, Alright, I'll take this first aid spray for
Oh
later.
no. Do we cross from here or do we just take the sewers?
Well, I don't know. I guess we don't really have to cross here, do we?
We don't. No, I'm not gonna. That's not.
Yeah, let's. Really sick of dying to sharks.
Yeah,
Like,
it's
get away from that water.
it's an insta kill. I don't like that.
Yeah, let's go in the sewer. Hello, Chelsea Baston. How are you doing?
Yeah, let's take the sewer.
Now our title's misleading because Amy is not here with us.
Oh no. Well,
I'm
she
too
is
lazy to
actually.
change
She
that.
is. We can prove it.
Well,
Amy.
technically, yeah.
Okay, we
Yeah.
can't. Yeah, see, we can prove it. You see? There we go. Amy's here
Here,
with us.
look. Here, watch this. Amy's totally here, guys. Amy, say something. Oh, hello, oh my Amy. Oh, my
You're
God.
so gonna get beaten.
All right. So which way now? Is it this way?
I think this,
No, this is a dead end. So no.
the door's over here.
This reminds me of RE2 so much.
Oh, yeah. Don't you get the cap to the Viola of important key items to make the vaccine?
Oh yeah, I was reading that. Yeah.
I don't know what that means.
Whoa,
What
whoa,
does
whoa,
that
whoa,
mean?
whoa, 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 whoa,
Running
whoa,
past
whoa,
him, running past him.
I'm gonna make a vaccine.
That's a sweet American accent you get.
Excuse me.
That's a sweet American accent we got there.
Look at you! Look at you!
I
Doing
mean,
each other's accents. I like that.
This game's all 6s and 7s, eh?
Oh my goodness.
Tommy
So
won't
funny.
die. Get the hell up.
It won't auto aim. Auto aim, please.
Good
He's
eye,
gone.
mate.
I got That's a good Australian.
There's herbage here.
There. I'm gonna combine this sweet, sweet herbage.
Sweet, sweet herbage. I love that expression.
Bosco's accent's better than yours, true.
Mark. Mark.
His Australian
Mark.
accent. Bosco is a clicker. He's a alien zombie creature. Till I see Bosco in real life, he is alien. Bosco's probably that dog from Men in Black, right? That's the same dog.
The
right?
one that.
The dog that talks?
No, the Man in Black one is a pug. No?
Isn't that a pug?
Yeah. No. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Bulldog.
I'm going in
Like
here.
a bulldog? Yeah, he's fat like a pug, so whatever. He's a bulldog? He doesn't have a face of a bulldog. He looks like a pug. You're lying.
He's a French bulldog.
Oh, French. Whoa.
Mm.
So he's.
Oh, there's ammo for you over there. Take them. There's ammo over there. Take them.
Oh, cool. I'm loaded up on handgun ammo.
Good, you can
And
protect
when
me.
Amy's not around, I actually get ammo to protect myself.
Now we need an impression of Logi's Maltese accent, and we're done. Somebody do my accent. Both of you do my accent. Come on.
Oh man, I can't do Vloggy's accent.
Why?
Yeah, it's hard.
Buggy, lucky you get the vibe back.
Was that your vlogging accent? That was awful.
One impression of
Nice.
Maltese accent
That was-
is
that was
like this.
terrible.
Because let me tell you,
Let me
Let
see.
you pick up the herb, okay?
That sounds that sounds
Mario.
Jamaican. Hey, my name's a vlogging man. I just come from Jamaica.
Hey man.
My name's Sluggy and I like pipes.
All right,
Oh,
what happens
man,
now?
I'm
What
lucky,
do we
I
do?
like-
What do we do
Oh,
now? Do
oh
we
no.
trigger them?
If we trigger them, what do we get that triggers them again? that we need?
forgot.
I just hate triggering them. Is there anything we can go forward and do before we triggered them?
Exactly what I was thinking. Let's see what's on the other side here.
Just hang them.
I'm gonna go and make my dinner, so I'll be back in a minute.
No problem. Don't worry.
Alrighty,
Don't
No,
die.
no pressure.
we'll just be here saving the world. And help me, please! I can't hold on. I don't work out very much.
I like the way he screams. Help!
Help me!
Help me!
Help!
Come on,
Go.
help me, please.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
I remember we did something down here that was super confusing, and I don't know what we did. Oh, is that 8 rounds? Oh, that is grenade rounds.
Wow, I missed them. I just walked past them. I didn't see them.
Well, I mean, we don't have a grenade launcher or anything, so.
But still, could have been like a key item.
Like,
I
yeah,
didn't even
could've
see it.
been. Here's the automatic win button. Oh, you missed it. Sorry.
The automatic win button, if only.
If only. Is my streaming now?
Let's see.
Oh, I think my stream's actually working.
Yeah, I see you. It's
Oh,
working.
I'm stuck on this pipe here. I'm stuck on like this big old pipe. Hold on.
Please help! Help! Please help!
Alright. Now, where does this go?
We had to do something.
Oh, there's a door here. I
Oh,
forgot where this leads though.
let's go through this door. Let me just turn power on down here or something.
Oh, I don't know. Testing room.
Can we do something here? Oh, my sound just got all crazy.
I don't see anything useful. Literally, it says that.
What about this computer monitor? That's not useful. Oh, did you just put that recovery
Yeah,
mess
I
on
did.
before?
I did. I'm
Okay.
gonna use it actually.
Oh. More grenade rounds over here, jeez.
I'm gonna go through here, see where this takes us.
Alright.
He was talking about the automatic win button. You push it and you win. That's it.
It's a very popular button.
There's a red herb and a green herb. Do you need them? You seem to be okay.
I already have 2 mixes.
I'm gonna pick it up.
And recovery medicine and a first aid spray, so feel free to mix that herbage up.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Head through this. Oh, this is that door we gotta unlock. It's like an electronic lock. Hope I can unlock it from somewhere.
Oh yeah, alright. So good to know. So pointless room then. Pointless room is pointless.
Pointless room is 100% pointless. Damn it. Walk through the door, fat boy. There we go.
Alright. Let's go. There's a ladder up there. Let's see where this takes us.
Alright.
I don't mind taking my time with the game, but it puts you on a timer. You have a virus. And that annoys me so
Yeah.
much. Yeah, there we go. We triggered.
All right, come on. The thing's too huge.
Triggered.
Triggered
These
tyrant
9mm
now.
are
Pantsu.
useless.
No,
Almost got
Pantsu
him.
Tyrant.
Hold on.
You must give me your
Michael
blood.
Phelps tyrant.
I'm going to shoot you in the shoulder now.
Oh.
Hey, Something's wrong. So, let's regain our distance then.
I always thought that made him stronger for some reason. Whoever they shot him just accidentally made him stronger.
Yeah. Oops.
He was very mellow and they shot him and they just made him stronger. Like, uh-oh.
Yeah.
It's like having a fight with Popeye and you're like, you know, I'm gonna give him some spinach. This will give him diarrhea. It makes him stronger.
Whoopsie.
This will give him diarrhea.
I won't.
And he goes. Uh-oh.
Might as well set it up. Just in case.
Look, I'm Russian. Russians are evil.
I am Russian spy. I'm quite impressed you've managed to stay alive up until now.
Alright, so...
Card key? Alright.
yeah, just use it for that door and then you can discard it.
The thing is, I can't pick it up because I'm full, so I'm gonna combine these with these. Oh man! Alright, I'm gonna leave an herbage behind.
Well, just use the card key, then replace it with whatever you left behind. Because
Yeah,
you
like,
don't need that door.
are we sure we don't need any more? Well, let's see.
I don't know. I mean, did we ever use it again last time?
I don't remember.
mean,
I
the
don't
time
think.
before
I
last?
don't think we did.
I don't think we did, because I remember I was carrying all the key items, and I don't think we ever used that again.
All right. Now, do you want to go trigger the tyrant and we get one out of the way?
I mean, I guess we could, and then we just run back down here. I mean, we did it pretty smooth last time.
All right, let's do that. I can be the bait. I can go get through. I was gonna
Yeah,
say.
yeah.
I can go get tyrant. You stay behind.
Go get you.
Yeah, you stay behind and zap him. Now, even if you miss, all right, even if you miss, don't worry. Just stay by the switch and try again. I'll keep walking around.
Oh, okay.
All right, so you take your position over there.
Yeah, I'm gonna mix these herbages real quick.
All
Nah,
right.
I don't want these herbages. Never
Should
mind.
I go?
Okay, I'm ready.
I'm
you
going.
go. I got my spot. I'll just be here, totally focusing, 100%.
There he comes. Oh! All right. Oh, he's coming. All right.
You're doing all right, Vloggy.
I'm being followed
try.
right now. Ooh, sweet herbage. I'm kidding.
I'm just here, guarding this button.
I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Whoa, Supercry is looking at that tyrant booty.
Yeah, she is.
Supercry, calm down.
He's coming. He's fast. He's right behind me.
Help me, please!
I'm ready with a switch.
I think it's a good
Somebody should
idea
call
that
electrician.
one of us waits there. I'm coming.
I'm ready.
He's right behind me. He's right behind me.
Evil music has started. Evil music has started. I'm ready.
He's coming. You gotta pick it up.
Come
I think you have to
speed.
pick it up because I'm full. Oh, so are you.
Okay, yeah, I'll get it. I'll get it. Don't worry. Where is he?
He takes his time. Don't worry.
He's like
Even
the
last time he
showman.
took his time. Come on.
I hear the evil music.
Oh, he's
There we
coming.
go.
He's coming and he's taking his time.
Come here,
That's
fat
fantastic.
boy.
Oh, look at
Oh,
that!
they-
He changed his mind.
Hey,
He's like, I'm not falling for that again.
He's like, nah, Mark is too big and
He's
strong.
like, nope, nope. I see what's gonna happen. What?
Did he actually leave?
What?
The door shut.
What? He left.
Bloggy, you need to be better bait, I think.
Oh, come on, man. Come on, man. He took off. He's like, nope. I know what's gonna happen here. It
Like-
happened to me last time.
I think he was intimidated.
gonna go
by
get him.
Mark's
I'm gonna go
big,
get him.
muscular body. Yeah, that was the first.
Tyrant. Oh my goodness, that was unbelievable. He just took off. He showed up, we saw him, and he turned back, and he just left the room. There's dogs now! Whoa! Careful, we need to avoid this hallway.
Is he there though?
No, he's not there. There's broken glass and dogs came through.
Oh, awesome. Oh, Amy's talking crap. She said buzz. Unless you... Was that sleepy buzz or electronic buzz?
Oh my goodness, he just came through a wall. He just destroyed a wall and he came through it. Yeah.
Dang, I need to watch your stream.
Where is he? Where is he? Alright, I'm gonna go again.
I hear music. Are you in this hallway?
No, I'm not. Is he there?
No.
But
But I
you
hear the
heard-
evil music.
Okay, so he's there then.
You didn't lead him here though?
No, it wasn't me.
Oh,
Be
dude.
careful then.
Oh! He missed! Oh god! He ran through it! He ran through the damn thing!
I can't be there as bait. Because why did he go
Okay,
after you?
I'll-
He tried to separate us. He tried to separate us
Oh
on
man, he's
purpose.
smart. He is smart. Oh my gosh! Oh my god!
I wanna see your expression.
He's a smart cookie. He's a smart cookie. Oh my god, he's punching the shit.
Oh come on! I'm coming! I'm coming! I'm coming! I'm coming!
I'm gonna. Oh my god!
I'm
ow,
one
ow,
door
ow,
away.
ow.
I'm coming.
Please
Oh my
help!
god! Oh my god! He is just bitch slapping me. He just kicked me in the back.
My goodness. Oh, I hear the music. Where are you?
I'm in the hallway. Oh, he's coming that way. Okay, I'll bring him back.
I see his
Get
hand.
ready.
He teleported.
Do it, do it.
Hang on, hang on.
Ready?
Gotcha, you son of a biscuit. Pick it up. Can you pick it up? Can you pick it up?
Oh, he's not down. He's chasing me.
I'm gonna pick it up. Just get out of there. Get out of there. Don't worry. Just get out of there.
He's not down.
No, but I picked it up. I picked the T-blood. Don't worry. I picked the
Okay,
T-blood.
okay.
Just go. Meet me in
I'm running.
meet me in the elevator. Meet me at the elevator. You know the elevator.
Elevator. I'm at the double doors. Are we going through the elevator?
Oh, the double doors. That's right. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah.
Yeah. Where are you going? Oh my god, that guy. Man, he
The
almost
double doors. Where did we
beat
go
the
for the
shit out
double
of me.
doors? I forgot.
The hallway that you're in, where you electrocuted him. Go down the way, the other way,
Okay.
and it leads to the double doors at the end.
All right. It's the other way. Okay. I'm coming. Again.
Man, he beat the hell out of me. That sucked.
Are you okay health-wise? Because I dropped. If you
Actually,
want,
yeah.
I
I'm
dropped.
only on caution,
okay.
actually.
All right, because I
I
dropped
thought I'd
to
be in,
pick up
like-
the T base or what P base or whatever it is. I dropped a combination of red herb and green herb. So if you want to pick it up,
Oh, okay.
it's there.
Alright. Where do we want to go from here, though? Are we going down in the sewer again?
Well, we have to do the insect thing for sure.
Oh yeah. Oh, so do you want to meet at the elevator then? Wait. Where do we go for the insect?
Or since we're going to the elevator, I might as well go to. I'm thinking. What depends. What do you want to do first? Do you want to do the frogs, or I don't want to do any of
Well,
those.
the thing with the frogs, I think the frogs we got to do last because that's where we have to mix all the stuff, right? So that's where we got to like turn the power on, go through that door. We have to get in that lab to mix all the three things, right?
Okay.
So we could save that for last.
Okay. All right. So we can do the insects
than
first
setting
then.
it all up.
Let's head to the insects then.
Where are they though?
We have to get the elevator.
So
The
we
one
gotta
with
go
the
back.
code. Yeah. Go back in. How are we
Okay.
doing? I'm on 25%, which is really good.
Yeah, I'm only on 28. I think we're okay.
Actually, I'm 23, so we're good. Oops. I closed my chat by mistake.
out of there! Alright, so, well, actually, I'm gonna mix these two
So
and use
this
them
leads.
right
This
now.
this is a shortcut then, straight to the hallway, to the main hall.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna use these since we're not gonna be coming back here. Take my items back. Okay, let's go.
Ready? He might be
Let's
there. Huh? He
go,
might be
boss,
waiting
go.
for us there.
He better not be here.
We'll be able to tell from the music right away.
Yeah, I can't take another beat down like that.
He's not there. Good.
Alright.
And the door is over here.
Bam, boom, boom.
So do you have RE5 on PC?
Me?
Hmm.
Oh yeah.
Hmm. I'm thinking of getting it. I don't know. We'll see.
Oh nice. Yeah, I got the gold with all the extra DLC and stuff.
So we go B4F. Is that right? Yes, B4F. Yes.
That yes. Sounds right. Wait, no.
Yeah,
Yes.
this is it. Yeah, this is it.
Yeah,
Oh,
this
you know
is-
what? I'm gonna pick up the pesticide. Do you have room for a pesticide spray? No.
I mean,
'Cause I was thinking, is it easier to shoot them with the pesticide spray or shoot them with the gun?
I don't know. I mean, Amy got a couple, but you got a lot of them with the pesticide spray, so
You know what? I am going to.
here.
Leave the
Why
gun
don't you
behind.
give me? Well, why don't you give me the? I'll just carry all the junk.
Oh, don't worry
We'll
about it.
mix
Don't
it.
worry about it. It's
All
fine.
right, you got it.
Let's
All
go.
Let's roll. This door? Not this door. This door?
It's it's the only door actually. Yes, that one has to be this one.
Oh yeah, there's nothing down
We can do this. Come on. 3 items. We got 1 down. 2 to go.
Oh, hold on. Hold on.
I'm gonna make a run for it because there's spoolers here.
Dang it. A refresher.
The one time I managed to pass through without the spider tackling me. I did it. Mwahaha.
Oh great, now it's gonna get me.
Alright. So, here there should be an assault rifle. And...
Oh, they see me. Oh, they don't see me actually. Ah, they both spit in the wrong place. Nerds. Oh crap, is their big brother's waiting downstairs.
Alright.
Missed two.
You okay? There you are.
I made
There's
it.
some
I'm
herbage
here.
here if you need, but I think you're full as well, eh?
Ah, yeah, I'm full.
Let's go. There's an assault rifle here. Follow me.
You got it?
I got one, but there's another one.
Oh, okay.
I am memorizing this game now.
Well, we should know this level by heart.
Yeah, come on, we can do this. Come on.
I don't know why we can't do it, but we should be able to do it.
Oh, there's
Should we just
there's
run on the outside of the? Should we run on the outside of the train? Is that?
No, don't, because there's bugs outside. They're on the wall. I don't know if you
Okay.
noticed them. They're on the wall.
Oh, I see them, but I mean, I don't know. We could always get beaten by zombies on the inside, so I don't know. Which is
Is there
worse.
zombies in here? Whoa!
Oh, I guess
You are
there's
right. You just
zombies
said it and
all
boom.
over. Whoa!
Let's go. Let's go. Oh, there's the rifle over there.
Okay. Let's see. I'll switch it out. Yeah.
Yep. Whoop! No, you don't.
Oh, what happened?
Oh, another one. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Oh, that one's standing back up.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Out, out, out. I like that they reuse the Resident Evil 3 sounds. All of them. For zombies, menus, everything.
Oh yeah.
Okay, go to the door. Bees!
Oh crap! I was
or-
gonna reload, but there's bees. Never mind.
Or wasps, whatever.
Bee, wasp, moth, creature flying, fly, thing.
Uh-oh, he's coming. Hold on, hold on. I don't think you see him.
Oh, I see him.
3, 2, 1. My gun was empty. Fantastic. I was like, hold on, hold on. I was waiting for him to get closer and then shooting with my nothing.
What's that breaking noise? Did you hear that?
No, but the zombie's not dead on the floor, huh?
Uh,
Oh, he's getting back up. Run! Oh my goodness!
Oh, whoa, 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 get off of him.
Alright, I'm gonna run. Over here, over here, over here, over here.
Okay. Oh, there's another one.
In the hole, in the hole! Fire in the hole!
In the hole. I'm going up Bloggy's hole.
You're going up
Oh,
my
right up there. Going right up Bloggy's hole.
Oh, you.
kind of chilly.
Oh, wow, okay. I have to do this now. Run!
Oh no. Oh.
Go get through, go get through.
Go get him. He's
It's a long
super
drop. Look at that,
cowboy.
look down. It's a long
Oh my
drop.
god. That is a long way down. Bad.
Oh
We are all up in
no. At
each
least they're
other.
being nice, the bugs. They're not attacking us.
Yeah. Very polite of them.
This is driveway, yes?
It's a way. I don't know.
Anyway, okay.
Let's just go before we get poisoned. Oh, it tried to dive bomb us
Yeah,
right then.
it tried to tackle
Ooh.
us. Yeah.
Oh man.
Whew. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh yep. Oh yep. Oh yep.
Be careful, be careful, be careful.
Shoot that guy.
Wow, another one!
Yeah, they're everywhere. Are you okay?
You know, well... You okay?
Yeah.
Just didn't have time to equip my... Is there anything here? This is not the water cooler
I
room
don't
then.
remember.
No, there's nothing here. Oh, I can unlock this door. Okay, I unlocked it. Now I remember you guys going through a hole here, so hold on.
Oh yeah, yeah. We gotta push this lock out of
Alright, can you go
the
through?
hole.
Yes. Now I'm going up your hole.
No, no, not my hole.
Your hole.
Mark has a big old hole. Oh, here's that stupid puzzle.
Oh! Come on, you can do it again. You can do it again.
Oh boy.
I'm gonna look it
Here
up
we
in
go.
the meantime, because I would like to memorize this.
Yeah, I'm sure it's something like click 3 buttons and you're done. I had to click a 700 of them.
Let's see. Decisions. Puzzles. This is the whole walkthrough, no thank you.
Nah. Oh, got it.
Do you remember what you pressed, though?
Hell no, I don't remember. I just kept
Okay,
pressing the button.
never mind. Alright, so it's on. So now... I need to memorize it, though. Streamer, shoot the camera. Okay, you left the room, did you? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna
done
shoot
with
the
that.
camera because we are on very limited ammo. I'm not gonna...
Yeah, this is not the wasting ammo game. Now what do we do?
Now we have to... Ooh, iron pipe. I wish I could take it, but...
Log,
no.
stop playing with your pipe.
I want the pipe. Can I play with my pipe real quick?
I just want to play with my pipe for a second.
Alright, here's what we're gonna do. We need to go
Alright.
to the... Okay, not here. But
Wait, what did that power turn on? Oh yeah, the power turned on the elevator in the stupid tree. Oh, whoa!
Whoa, 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 keep running, keep running. What about this way? What about this way? Is it this way? I think it's this way. Whoa! Up the ladder, I think. Is it? It feels like it's up the ladder.
Yeah.
Air exhaust tower access way. Yes, tower access way. Exactly,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
this way, for sure. For shizzle.
The shizzle, my vizzle.
Is it this way? Well, there's only one way. It has to be this way. Yes, I remember. This way. There's something over
Yep,
here.
yep,
Hold
yep.
on. What is this?
I think it's a handgun.
Yep, you got it. It's a handgun. Yeah, I'm not gonna pick it up though. Let's go. All right, so we make a run for it straight to the.
Make a run.
Do you know the way
Yes.
exactly the shortcut to the door? Because I always take the long way around.
The elevator? Just
Yeah.
stage left. Stage left. This
Coming.
way.
There it is. Oh, nice.
Yep, yep, yep.
Boop, 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 boop. Activate.
Push that button. Push that button.
And it's on. I'm gonna equip my my pesticide spray real quick.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
I'm gonna take a corner.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go over here. No, I'll go over here.
Come on, quick! Come on, not like this.
Oh,
Come on, not like this.
Not like this. Not like this.
Come on. Oh, I got one.
Just trying to run around. Run around.
Oh, I got another one.
Got another one. Got another one. Just gonna be bait, as usual.
Oh, I got another one.
Nice,
One more to go.
Nice. One left. One left.
Oh, it's empty. I don't have any more.
Oh, we gotta shoot this guy.
Ooh, nice shot. Nice
Deadeye.
shot, like a boss.
Follow up poison though. Alright, well, we'll find a blue herb.
Oh,
soon.
caution. Yeah, we'll find one as soon as we get up there. I think there's gonna be one up when we go up the up the stairs.
Yeah.
Hey, George, welcome. All right,
Up,
so
George.
I'm going up. I'm gonna pick it up myself. Don't worry about me. I'm gonna
You
pick
got
it
it?
up. Yeah, I got it. I got it.
I'll go.
V poison. I got the V poison now. I'm gonna keep running.
Got
Are you following me?
Oh, nope.
Why
I'm
not?
going upstairs. I thought you said you're going up, so I was like, okay, I'll go this way.
No. We just need to go up.
Yeah, I know. Just up here. Up here. Ow, I'm getting totally annihilated.
Cause there's a.
There's a blue herb up there, but
Yeah,
that's-
why don't you take
okay,
it?
There's blue herbs elsewhere.
All right then. Okay. Cause I was worried about you.
'Cause Yeah,
I was
because
worried
those
about you.
bugs were all upon me.
Okay,
Maybe
we're
there's
good.
a blue herb
How are you
poison
doing with
thing.
virus?
I'm 41.
I'm 38. But this is an antidote. Antidote. If you want, there's an antidote
Antidote?
pill if you want
Nah.
for the poison.
There was one here already, so I just took it. So yeah, take that one too.
Okay, good. What
Assault
else?
rifle magazine. You can have that if you want.
You don't want it? Cause I'll take it.
Nah, cause I got handgun ammo.
All right. Okay. The problem is, I don't have space now. Can I combine the T poison and the T blood? No way. The V poison.
No,
So I have to keep
No,
holding
that-
them. I have to keep holding them.
that's stupid incubator.
All right. So I'm gonna. I used. I should have used it. Hold on. I'm gonna use it. Use.
Oh, there we go. Poison. Perfect.
What?
That antidote was a poison thing. So I'm gonna use this first aid spray and then take that first aid spray, and I am all good. All right,
Ready to go?
let's go. Let's go.
Two
get
out
that
of three.
stupid- Yes, 2 out of 3.
Now we need to go.
Get through it.
Get the frogs.
We
Get the
just-
frogs. Get the frogs.
No, not the frogs. Not the frogs. We gotta go in that room
What room?
and get the P base.
Yeah, isn't that the one next to the frogs? No?
Is it?
I don't know. What do we get from the frogs?
I have no idea. That's what I've been wondering. I think that frogs gives us access to that lab downstairs that we have to get into to put those 3 items in.
I remember leaving you behind, and you said I'm gonna go pick it up, and then I'm coming back. But what did you pick up? I don't remember.
Where? When?
Last time we streamed, last time we played, I remember you said I'm gonna go pick it up, and I was like, I'm gonna wait here. I'm gonna watch your back. You go pick it up. I don't know if I. I forgot.
The thing that triggers them. It's like a
Hmm.
key.
It was a key then, so it's not the P base thing.
It's not the P base. The P base is in one of these labs. That
Alright,
you
let's
pick
go.
up the empty jar, and then
And
and
we
then
can
you
do
put
the
in
whole
machine
thing.
right next to it. What's that?
So we can do the whole thing. We got the thing then. 1, 2.
Well, we
just
don't. We need the P base.
You know where it is though, yeah?
No. It's in one. It's in one of those lab rooms, but I don't remember which one.
I'm
Because
pretty
we
sure.
always
It's,
just randomly. Is it downstairs?
I'm pretty sure it's next to the frogs.
Okay. We can head down there. Is it? How do we get there?
I'm
the
trying
sewers
to
here?
think. I'm trying to think. I forgot.
The sharks.
We just been here and I forgot.
I know. Is it sewers here?
Yeah, I think so. I think it's through here. Yeah. I think so. We'll find out.
Character won't go down. Go down the sewer.
Bye, have a
There we
great time. Oh, I wish we could do this. Can you imagine if we did it without Amy now? She'll be like, what? This is it! We're here! We're here! This is it! This is the place!
With the P-base?
No, I mean, this is the place where the frogs are.
Oh, well, we did that P-base first, because...
What does that
Yep.
key unlock? That's the question.
Yeah, I forget.
Hold on. Let's cross
need-
the
we
other
need all-
side.
We need all 3 of those things. Character's not moving up here. What's happening here? Why aren't they
Goes
doing
over
it?
here then.
Oh, here we go.
Okay, I have
boxes.
to go through here. Let's see if I'm faster than you.
Help me, please! Please, help! Mark! Kevin! Mark! Kevin! Mark! Kevin! Mark! Kevin! Mark! Kevin! Mark! Kevin! Mark! Help! Mark! Kevin! Mark! Yeah!
It's like we're playing Marco Polo, but it's a different version.
Mark!
Fuck.
Kevin!
And we're playing a game. Whoever says it gets the last word.
Yeah,
Mark!
we're very stubborn.
Help me, please! Kevin!
Alright, let's do this.
Oh, Amy says drop. What a hater. Amy, where are you?
Mark!
Aren't you chatting with us?
Mark! Kevin! Mark!
Okay, we gotta find that stupid room with the P-base before we trigger these guys.
There's another door over there. I wonder where that leads. Oh no, that's the door we came from. No, that's the door we came from. There's a fence.
This one?
No, the one
This
next
is the
to
restroom.
What is
Oh.
this? Ooh, what is this?
What is this?
Handgun magazine. No. Where did you go? Downstairs or upstairs?
Oh, the grenade launcher's in here if you want it.
Oh, this is just water. Okay, no, not good.
Or should we just wait till we trigger the stupid frogs?
If you want to pick it up right away. Don't worry. Which door did you go through?
I went in the restroom. I'm coming out right now.
Alright, I see you. Yeah.
You see?
What about this? What
So
are
I
these?
think we need to go in.
These are handgun rounds again. If you want more.
Oh, okay. Hold on, I went in the other gun tunnel. Let me turn around.
What about the other door? Where does this lead? Let's see. So the key must unlock something, but what?
Oh, you just went in the door.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
coming
fine.
out
It's
of.
fine. I just want to look around. All right.
Yeah, I think we
done
need to go that way.
This way, the where I came from.
Yeah, where you're right now. I think we need to go that way.
Okay. So, wanna grab the key and run? I can't grab anything. I'm full. I mean, items.
Well,
wise.
we need the P base first because we have to go into that lab and mix all of them up. So we might as well get that first.
But maybe the key leads us to the P-base lab. I don't know.
Well, we got the P base last time before we triggered them because I was carrying all three.
Oh no.
It was like right after you died. Oh, that was it. Where was it? It was the sharks.
Was it next to
What
the sharks?
room is?
Hold
What
on.
room is downstairs right after the sharks? Because it was right after you died. I found it with Amy.
Okay. Okay. Which area did you go to then?
Where are you? Oh, zombie!
Where are you?
I don't know. I thought I was following you, but I don't know where you went.
No, I'm still here next to where the tanks are of the frogs.
Thanks. That's where you went.
That's where I am. Yeah. What are you?
Oh my god. I don't know where I am. Hold on. Oh, Jesus. I found a dead end with a zombie. Awesome sauce.
We're doing well with time. We got 2 items and we're still at 45%. So we're
Alright,
doing
oh,
well.
wait. I think I might have found it. Wait. Yes, I found it.
You found it?
I got it.
Where was it?
In the administration office thing. I don't even know. Okay.
Okay. So, where do we go from here?
I got-
Let's meet up first. Let me call you.
Well, yeah. Let me come to
Mark.
you because now we can trigger them.
Mark!
Why? So
Okay,
we get
I-
the key. I mean, eh?
Yeah, I don't know what the hell we do with that key,
But at least we
yeah.
have it in case we run into a locked door. Yeah, at least we have
Okay,
it.
so I have P base.
All right. All right.
Back to you. I think
I would like to pick up the key myself, but I don't know which item I'm gonna get rid of. All I have is the
Oh,
machine gun and the ammo, and then the 2 items, the P base and the T blood. The V poison and the T blood.
Oh yeah, I know. Ah. Oh, that's the right way.
Streamer fail. Why streamer fail? Why streamer fail? What's going on? Streamer still
Streamer
running. It's
fail?
not streamer fail.
I-
Stream is
I
still
think I
running.
hate- Oh no! I
Where
went
are you?
Downstairs where this ladder is. Damn it.
Do you want to meet me somewhere? Maybe it makes it easier.
Well, let me find out where the hell I am first, because I don't want to get you lost. I think I know. I made the wrong turn. I think I know how to correct myself.
Amy just wants to watch the world burn. Oh my goodness, I see where you are. Why? I'm looking at your stream. Why did I? I know
Oh,
where
yeah,
you
sure, you
are.
could look
I
at
know
my
where
stream.
you are. Hold on. Stay there.
I'm coming. I'm coming to you though.
No, no, stay there. I'm coming. I'm coming. Hold on. I mean,
But we need to
fine.
go that way, right?
Um,
'Cause that's
Do
where
we?
the trigger is. That's where the frogs are, right?
oh yeah, that's right. Yeah. Would you like me to go get it? Wait for me there. Hold on.
I'm actually right there. I mean, if you want to trigger them, that's cool. I'm
thing
in
is-
the room.
the thing is this.
I'm one room away.
The
I don't know
thing
what we
is
need to
this.
do though.
How am I
After
gonna?
that.
All right, I need your help. I'm not gonna be able to grab the item on my own and then handle the frogs.
Yeah, yeah. Let me get some
So here's what we're gonna do.
assault rifle going here. I am here. I hear you. There you are. Okay.
All right, here's what we're gonna do. What the items do you have on you? You can't. You can't sacrifice anything really either.
Oh my God! The P base is gone.
What? Depleted. It's been exposed to air and has evaporated, making it useless. What?
Well, what is that? How do we use it then?
Where did you get it from?
Like, you used to go way down the hallway that I just came from.
Because maybe we can replenish it. Maybe we can refill it again or something.
Maybe.
Let's try again. Let's go. Let's go back. Let's go back again.
All right.
We need to figure this out. We need to figure this out. Oh my goodness! It's like what the moment we find all the keys, one of them has
Yeah.
to die on us. Now we discover
know.
that one of them expires.
I mean, we can try to use it, or what the hell do we do with it? Dada Row, you back, man? Or
All
you're
right.
just at work on the
No,
computer?
Amy, if you want to sing, come on Discord again. If you want to sing, come on right now. We can do it.
Oh, yeah. If you want to sing some
she's
Pokemon, we'll sing
typing.
some
That's not
Pokemon.
how you sing. That's not in chat.
That's
That's
not-
not how you sing. You sing on
Yeah, Amy.
Discord with me
Amy,
right
you're
now.
literally on Discord. Oh, Amy left her own co-op chat stream on Discord. Amy, what's wrong with you?
She took off, so we don't hear her chew.
Yeah.
Whoa!
This way.
This way. Okay.
Oh, watch out, zombie there. Just run past him.
I did.
Okay, this door, right around that corner.
Coming. Okay. You guys missed the cap for the vial. Seriously, there's a cap for the vial.
There's a cap.
What?
Where's their cap? I don't see anything useful.
This is where you got it from, then?
Yeah.
This is the room you got it from. Okay.
Memo.
What does it say? P-base in stock. I need a special container to procure. See if you can do it again.
All right. Well, I mean, what's the point? We don't have this cap apparently. That.
No, maybe it's just trolling. See if.
Oh, now it won't let me use it.
What does it say?
And I say use, it just won't do anything. When it's empty, and I said use, it starts the little process there.
Are you kidding me with this?
Wow, so it's just like, that's it. Like,
I'm
game
off.
over, you can't do
I
it.
have to be off. Have a lovely time. Goodbye. Thank you so much for hanging out, prone to being floppy. Thank you so much.
Take care,
take care.
Floppy. So
I'm gonna
what
look this
the-
up because this is annoying me now.
Yeah, where's this cap?
Let me see. P-base. I'm gonna write it. P-base. P-base.
And
Depleted. What is going on? So, Resident Evil Wiki. Let's take a look. PB is one of the three
Yeah.
ingredients used to culture the daylight vaccine. It must be transported very carefully as to expose air will cause it to dissolve. A sealed P-base can be found in the water treatment plant below Raccoon University. This area is also used to house Hunter Gamma. BOW, it should be noted. The player can find the operated P-base, which will eventually dissolve and can be used instead of the sealed P-base, but it is unknown if the player can find it and put it into a machine before it fully dissolves. What? I'm not following.
So where's the cap then? That's what we need to know.
The player can find an opened P-base, which will eventually dissolve. That can be used instead of the sealed P-base. So we're looking for the sealed P-base then. Yeah?
Oh, so where the hell is that?
Alright, let me see. Let me Google it. Sealed
Yeah, I'm
P-base
not-
then. So there must be an item called sealed P-base. Hold on.
What the hell is this item doing here?
All right. So what does it say? It says nothing. Oh, okay. Locations for easy. Use in the sealed regent case. Use the sealed regent case on the machine next to the central table and create this. What?
Huh?
Sealed regent case. Where is this? Inside the water purity control room.
That's where we are.
Is this it?
I thought so.
I'm gonna get out of the room and come back and see what it says.
Where's the map? Oh, well, it's in Japanese. Super helpful.
Going back in. Waterworks Administration Office. So it's not. We need the water purity control room. Alright, so I think the water purity control room is the room that's locked.
Oh, okay. So we need to get the key.
We need to get the key.
I think that's the key that
and
we
I-
open this door with.
That's what I think. You wanna try it?
Yeah.
Wanna give it a go?
Alright,
We got
let's-
50% more of virus to go, so
All right.
There's one thing I came across.
let's go.
Hold on. Here we go.
No, the cap seal
Oh,
is the
man.
vial of the P base. No, the cap seal is the vial of the P base. All right, we'll see. All right, so this way, right? Oh, watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Still managed to
Whoa,
get
whoa.
it. And which room?
damn it, you got it.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay.
I'm still not fine.
This way. This way. Oh, not this way. Not this way. Straight ahead. Straight ahead.
But at least
where
you know
I
where
went
we're going.
last
That's
time,
fine. At least you know
Yeah.
where we're going. I like that. Now, somebody needs to shoot the. Someone needs to go in a safe spot, and shoot the hunters while the other one crosses the pipe. Which
Yeah.
way?
So should someone cross the first pipe first?
Exactly. Somebody needs to wait for the other one to. So
Yeah.
I'll do whatever if you want me to. Whatever.
Let me see. Well, no, I'll do it because I already have the useless P base, so I'll just change out that stupid item.
Okay. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
So you don't have to give up any of yours. So you head over there, and I will grab and bake it up.
Actually, you know what? I wouldn't drop it if I were you. Maybe it's not an item. Maybe it's not a useless item. Maybe you combine it with something else. Maybe we use the
Ah,
container.
shit.
I wouldn't drop it.
Yeah. All right. So
Up to you.
Yeah.
Would you like me to go? I will drop my ammo. So I will have just. Up to you. If you want, I'll go.
well, yeah. I mean, yeah. If you want to do that, reload first.
Yeah, I'm
Make
gonna
sure you
reload.
got
That's what I'm gonna do.
some- Oh yeah, reload and then give it to me so I can reload, and we'll just use up as much as we
Ah, it's smart. Yeah. Here it comes. Present.
can. And here's a first aid spray.
Reload. Take your first aid spray back.
So. Well, no, just hold on to it because I gotta.
You sure?
Yeah, because I'm gonna leave the magazine behind anyway here.
Because I am gonna be leaving the first aid spray behind. That's why. Wait.
Oh, okay. Well, no, because I'm gonna have to drop it anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Alright. So wait, are you gonna go for it then?
Yeah.
All right then.
Yeah, I
Okay.
thought you were. Yeah.
All right then. All right. So
Oh,
I'm
that's
gonna
right. Yeah, you were gonna cover me. Yeah.
Up to you. Whatever you want.
I forgot the plan. Ah, whatever. Go ahead. I'll just grab it.
All right. Don't go now. Don't go now. Wait for me to
Oh,
cross.
it doesn't trigger. I just have to pick it up.
No.
Oh, I was wrong. I was
Oh
wrong. That's a
man.
fail.
Oh man.
That's a true fail right there.
I told you. Oh my
All
goodness.
right, just go. Just go now. While they're after me, they won't be there already.
Yeah, but I wanted to be there so they don't go after you. So I start shooting them so they don't go after you. Now I have to watch my back as well.
We'll just have to down them and then go from there.
I love the way their necks vibrate.
Yeah, that's creepy.
All right. I'm stressing out.
Oh boy, I messed that up real good, real good.
All right. I'm up.
There.
Oh,
Alright,
oh my goodness, he already got me!
knock him down, knock him
He
down.
already got me! He already got me!
Like, got you like you're down?
Oh,
what
no! He was already swimming, this guy.
Oh, you're in the water?
Yeah, he got...
Oh, I thought you were waiting for me.
Oh!
Where are you? I'm gonna protect you, I think. Where are you? He's swimming towards the.
He grabbed me again!
He's over here.
Help me! Help me!
I got him,
You
I
just
got
got my back. Watch out for your back now. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We got it. We got it. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. You okay?
Oh shit! Out of ammo! Out of ammo! Oh, I can't turn around. No! Why is my character walking into the water?
You okay? Did you?
Okay, okay, run. Just run. Just run.
Why is he not hitting him? Hold on. Hold on. All right, he's down. He's down. He's down. He's down. All right, let's go before they come back up because that's what they'll do.
Yep.
Come on. Oh, there's another one. Don't go. Don't go. Don't go. They're coming back.
Oh,
Don't go. Don't go into the water.
come
No.
back, come back, come back.
There's another one swimming. Ah, what are we gonna do?
Let me see. I'll bait myself here.
I
Oh,
can't.
whoa, whoa! Oh, dang it! Sorry, I jumped up. No one's gonna help.
All right, he's down. We can try again. Let's try again.
Let's go. Let's go. We can do this. We can do this. We can do
We
this.
don't see. We don't see them. We don't see them.
We are
We're good.
clear. We are clear.
We don't see them. Oh my goodness, the tension right now, the stress.
Oh man.
What just happened? Oh, my screen went black
What?
for a sec. No, never mind. It's the HDMI. Was acting up like that. Oh! No way! Did you see that?
I saw that.
We got another one to go, huh? We got another one to go. Another pipe!
Okay.
But should we just kill him before we go again?
I guess we should wait. I don't know.
I have 10 ammo. Oh, what's he doing? He's just there.
I don't know.
In the
Deal?
water. Let's see if he comes up. Maybe we can. No,
Don't
don't
come
you
over
dare!
here.
Don't you dare take the pipe. Right now when he's in the water. Don't you dare. How are you health-wise?
I'm on caution.
Seriously, he's not gonna come to the surface now. He's just gonna stay there.
Let me see if we can
Oh,
shoot him.
hey, hold on. Do you wanna go? Do you wanna go first, and I'll watch your
I
back?
shot him. I shot him.
Did
I shot
you?
him. Go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Go, 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 go.
He's a floater. He's a floater.
He's a floater.
He's a floater.
Floater, voter.
Floater.
Let's go.
He's a floating turd.
Can you imagine if he just wakes up right now?
Oh, I'd be so angry.
Mark! Mark! Kevin! Mark! Kevin! Mark! Kevin! Mark! Kevin!
Who stole the cookies?
Mark! Kevin!
Oh my god. I hate to say this now, but I think we totally screwed up. We didn't even have to go across these pipes.
You think so?
Well, that room that this key unlocks, it's that room next to the P-base. It's just through that door.
I don't think there's a point to this door. We'll see. Let's go.
Well, where are we going then? Where are we gonna go?
This way. This way. This way.
This way.
Where are we going? Out of here. That's all I know right now. Out of here. Let's go.
Yeah.
We'll see.
I think we could have just ran back the way we came in the room instead of just doing all that pipe stuff.
Alright, we're good. Now, here's what we're gonna do. We take the big door
Alright.
and we look for the elevator.
Okay. Oh, and now the tyrant and dogs are gonna be in there, right?
Yeah, we'll just make a run for it. We're good. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay, you and I.
Yeah, we're gonna make it.
We're gonna make it. We are gonna make it.
Teamwork!
Teamwork, this is gonna happen. I have a good feeling about this one. Now, if we get to the room, either the room's still locked, we can't open it, or the combination of stuff we got doesn't work. I don't know. At that point, I will
Yeah.
give up. All right, so take this door,
Alright.
and we are gonna take the elevator now, the elevator room.
Okay.
And I think it was on the 3rd floor. Is that correct? No, I think it was B4F. B4F. We're gonna go to B4F.
The room for this key?
Hey, he's here.
Oh no.
Careful. He's up there. He's on the up there. He's up upstairs.
good,
Yeah, I
good,
see him.
good.
I saw him getting out the door. He's like bends over to come out of the door. Because the door is too small.
trying to take a shower. What are you doing here?
All right. Are we safe in here? I don't think we are. We need to be careful.
I don't think so.
Let's go.
We're definitely not safe in here. Zombies next here all the
The
time.
music!
Oh, that was quick. That was quick. Oh, I just nailed it.
Oh, come on!
Oh,
Seriously?
God.
Ooh, he didn't hit any of us. Before.
Oh, I went before.
That's good.
Oh my god.
Because I think it's before. I think it's before.
I think it's before.
Alright. Tara's definitely not gonna come this way. This is the room we're talking about that's locked, yes?
That's the room.
You
we
wanna
have
give
to
it a
get
go?
in, yeah. Well, does it open?
It doesn't say, you have to have the key, no? It's tightly shut, it won't open. Maybe you have to have the key?
No. This key doesn't work on that.
We tried.
No.
It doesn't. So where
It's
does...
a water tank key.
This is so strange. Alright, I got another...
It works somewhere. It works somewhere in that sewer we were in.
You sure?
I'm pretty sure that's what we did last time.
No, last time we didn't figure it out. With it opened, I think. Alright, I got another guess. Let's go 3rd floor.
Alright.
Let's go 3rd floor. And then I'll Google it. If it's not 3rd floor.
Yeah.
Then I'll Google it.
I think it's that room we got the P-base in. I don't remember what's on the 3rd floor.
Me neither, I'm just here to... There's more ammo if you want on this table?
Oh,
If you want. I'm gonna check out this room real quick.
ammo. That's. I got first aid.
This is experiment preparation room, so it's definitely not the room. I found an antivirus app. How are you with antivirus? What's your virus like?
I am 67.
You take it then. There's one coming
Alright.
through the door next to the computer. There's one. Take it.
Okay.
What is this? Nothing. Nothing. What is this? Recovery medicine. I don't need it. Hold on. Did I pick it up? Did I pick it up? I think I picked it up.
What?
The antivirus
The-
medicine. Hold on. I took it by
Oh.
mistake. Present. And use it.
I'll give you a nice little key there.
Oh yeah, I can examine it. Hold on. Water tank. Water tank.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's by that P-base room that we got the P-base in. There's that red door in the back.
We'll check. We'll check again. We'll go down. It's fine. Oh, we have to cross the pipes again.
What's the way to get there from the other side? I just don't remember
Is this it?
the layout.
It's tightly shut and it won't open. What? It's not gonna open, is it?
Oh, wait a minute. Is this the thing? Well, try putting your things in here.
Wait, is that but here? Hold on. Let's see. No. Regent incubator. Once I put in the materials, this device will mix them up. All right. So what? Present. Use. Something went in. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
So this is where we put all
Use.
3 of them.
Okay, 2 of them went in. Can you try putting in the thing? Yours?
I did. It didn't work because it's depleted.
Hmm. What's this over here?
It won't work.
Alright, so I placed 2 items. That's good. I had a feeling this is where I had to put it. What is this? I had a feeling about this room, so at least I knew something about this room.
Yeah.
But,
Still need that P-base.
that key. Alright, let me just check something about that key. What's it called again? It's called water tank key. Let me see. Let me Google it. Water tank key. Let me just write key with a red tag.
Overall, though, this enemy was pretty cool looking. I'll just not. Whoops.
Map location. No, I don't want the map location. Alright. I got a map and it shows the key and it says location, but I don't know if it's where you find the key or where it opens. If you're using let's see. No, we're not gonna get any answers from this. It doesn't say. You want to go down there again? We'll see.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's where the key's used. I mean, I don't know
Let's
where
go.
we're gonna find this P-base, but I know the key got used down there last time.
Let's go. I trust your feelings.
Yes. The force is strong in me right now. Oh, you can mix that herbage right there.
I'm
You
gonna,
got space.
yeah, now that I have 2 slots empty again.
Yeah.
I only have 10 rounds in my assault rifle. Oh, I really wanted to do this. I mean,
I know.
each time we play this, we're getting one step closer.
Yeah, we're making some progress here. All right, so let's head to B4. I think.
Okay. I'm gonna follow you because I'm totally lost now. Oh, is this gun empty? Yeah, it's got 15 rounds. That's good.
Says water. All right, we gotta run past the hairy spiders.
Spooderman. Spooderman.
Spiders. Spooderman, Spooderman, does whatever a Spooderman does. They're trying to spit on me. I don't like it. They're assholes. Oh, that guy's totally gonna try to jump on me. Ow, he got me. Jagged me good.
Alright, now since he jumped you then, he probably is exhausted and he's not gonna jump me.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, no he's not! He took me down as well!
He's not exhausted at all.
He's not exhausted at all. Wow, I'm up to 72% now all of a sudden. I don't know if it's speeding up.
Make some little mixage here. I think we're going a really long way to get
Yeah,
back to this
yeah, I was thinking the same thing. But you know what? As long as we get there and we don't waste time.
Oh wow, that did not heal me all the way. What the hell?
Alright, there's still the bugs here, so I'm gonna go through the train. Did you go through
Alright,
the train
I'm
or...?
No, I was up on that little walkway right where you walked. I'm heading over there now.
Oh, wow, I got attacked by the bee. I didn't go through the train. I tried to see if I could make it.
You tried to walk? You're the one who told me not to do that.
Yeah, I was like, maybe I'm exaggerating. But it's... Let's see if I got stung. No, I'm fine. I'm still on fine. That's good.
Maybe they're tired from hitting you now. Oh, that bee's hanging out right on the door. That's so annoying. Oh, made it. Oh, it's 70%.
Watch out, because I think there's a zombie.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, another one.
I got it. Oh, another one.
Seriously?
Jeez.
Let's get out of here, man. The sooner the better. Which way now? Is it the ladder?
no,
Do we
get
take the
back.
ladder? I forgot. No, it's not the ladder, is it? I'm confused.
Ladder. Dang it. Where are we? No. Is it the ladder?
I don't know. Let's see.
Let's go with the ladder.
Ooh, a zombie's coming! Oh my goodness!
No.
He dragged me down! He dragged me down the ladder! Yes!
I'm coming back down.
No,
the
it's
wrong way
fine, it's fine. Going back up. Whew,
Was it the wrong
he
way?
tried again. Is it the wrong way
It's the wrong
anyway?
way. This goes to the bees.
Ah. You
Oh,
touch
there
my
you are.
tra-la-la. Yeah, I'm going down again then.
Yeah.
I think there's still the zombie down there, the one that dragged me down.
Alright. I'll deal with him. Nobody grabs Zoggy by the bottom except me.
Exactly. Or Amy.
Yeah.
Is he gone, the zombie?
Oh, I never noticed that before. As you try and look in this room, it says it's too dark to see inside. It feels like someone is watching me. Oh, someone's coming in this door.
Oh, which way?
Let's run. Let's go this way.
Feels like it's that way, actually. Let's see.
Wait, storeroom. Probably not it.
Seriously? Come on. We got
Dang it.
more of the puzzle now.
I know. Storeroom. No, this leads us to that stupid puzzle, doesn't it?
And every time I'm tempted to watch a Let's Play. I'm like, no, come on, we can do this. We're getting closer and closer.
I know.
No, this is not it, is it?
Oh,
This
yeah.
is just
No,
the...
not it. Oops. Dang it.
How long have I been streaming? 3 hours, wow.
Yeah.
So what time is it for you right now?
10:09.
10:09. So what do you have planned for the day?
Oh man, not that much.
You got the ladies.
Oh yeah, my ladies are coming over.
There you go.
I need to go to the game.
Now which way?
All right,
This is dead end.
let's go this way. And
Is it this way then?
I
Yeah,
don't
it's the
know.
only
I
other
just,
door.
I just want to see what this. I just want to see what this door is because I don't remember. I think we might have to go the way with the bees. And I don't know. We're just taking like the most
Ooh, we haven't been in this
absurdly
room. We haven't been in
longest
this room.
route. We haven't.
Well, I mean, we missed the Assault Rifle magazine for sure. Hang on.
Let's pull nice handgun rounds. Yeah, I guess we haven't been in here this round.
The zombie's coming in.
Oh,
Oh, come on, seriously?
oh, coming.
Oh, come on, seriously?
Ow!
This guy. And it's not auto-aiming for some reason. I don't know why.
Oh wow.
Alright, let me just reload my gun real quick. Oh, he's coming back
Oh, we
up.
stole it.
He auto-aimed now. Let me reload. Combine.
Dang it, we gotta get back to that stupid water place. I think we might have to go through the bees. Like, I'm so lost on how to get back to the normal way.
The normal way. It's weird that we're calling it the normal way, but yeah.
Yeah. Whichever way we got to the first, we need to just do all this stuff right the first time. So we're not all screwed up. next
Unbelievable.
time.
It's amazing. So close. Alright, so
Oh yeah, this way. So this way takes us to the ladder, takes us to the bees.
let's go to the bees. To
Oh
the
man.
bees!
The bees. Not the bees.
I hate bees. Do we have to cross the area with the... We have to cross the ledge again?
Oh, I don't remember. Oh, I hear bees.
Oh, no, no, we don't. No, we don't. Alright, let's just
Oh,
make it
there,
to the...
oh, there. Ow. Holy
Go after True, go after True. Leave me alone. It,
Oh my God, it won't
oh
fall
no!
for you.
Oh
We're using
no!
Oh my god, damn. That is such
The
a
vlog
hard
isn't
kill
on a
right
10-minute delay. Swalby. You touch my tra-la-la. So I'm not on a delay now? Seriously? How can you tell anyway? How can you tell? How can you tell? I mean, you were able to tell right away. Usually, I mean, you can tell from chat because you type hello and it takes
there. Wrong way.
6 hours for the hello to show up on chat. But now there's no chat, so how can you tell? That was better vlogging. I don't know, but how can you tell? That's the thing. I mean, I don't get it. But yes, I did it. I did what you told me to.
Oh, you're all up in my face with your butt. Okay.
Yeah, but it smells nice. I showered last
It's
week.
nice. Very nice. Last week. Before the zombie apocalypse. Alright, I don't know where the hell we're going. Oh, zombies coming in. Run, run.
What? Oh! Ah! Ooh, I made it. It's called the sprinkle of tralala magic. Swalby,
Bees.
how are you?
Bees, run.
Bee! Oh wow, these bees. Swabby, you should get this game running. You should get this game running. We can play this together. It's so much fun. It's so much fun.
Bees. Dear cat bees. Oh, it knocked me into the loading screen.
That's so funny. That is so funny. Oh, 80%. My goodness.
Yeah, we're not gonna make it, but let's try and find out where this other P base is, at least so we know next time.
Oh man. I'm honestly tempted to give this one more try on my own single player.
Oh,
But on single player it's difficult because
oh yeah. That spider came right at my face.
we tried
Oh,
to take
I
the
hate
elevator. Ooh, the camera angle, I just
Oh,
got the hairs in my
camera
face.
was horrible.
Yeah, me too. You got the
That
hair.
was horrible. Yeah, like just the hairy legs blocking.
Yeah,
my
I had the
screen.
same thing. Oh wow, I had the same thing. Ah, you right click the video stats for nerds. Ah, okay, okay, okay. That's how you know. Okay, okay. You're so good. You're so good, Swab. You're a genius. Because you're all into programming and stuff. So you're into this stuff. Me, all I care about is games. I push a button stream and that's it. We're good. Let's go. Alright,
Okay,
so.
you know what's funny is that room that I thought this was the room where we mixed all this stuff, and I have no idea what this room's for. That must be later in the game. Whatever.
Alright, let's take the other door then. You know, there's 4F. There's 4F. There's. Have we been to 2F? Have we been to B2F?
I don't know. Let's click it.
Let's take a look. No, we've been okay. Yeah, I've been here. We've been
What is
here.
this?
Yeah,
Oh,
this is
yeah.
where George is. Yeah.
We don't need to go.
So-
Oh wait, no, we go down to the sewers here. That's good. Yeah,
Okay, let's go.
should be.
It's getting so tiring now. I mean, like, come on, man.
I know.
Come on,
The
man.
next time we play this, we're beating it.
Yeah.
That's it. We know where everything is. Oh wait, is this the right sewer we want to be in?
It has to be. Come on. It has. Hold on. Is it? Yes, I think so.
Familiar.
Yeah, I think
Is
so.
it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh yeah, this is it. This is it. Okay. This better be it.
Where did Amy go? I see her name in your title. Yes, Amy just. She's like. Swabby's like.
Clickbait.
Swabby's like
Clickbait.
clickbait.
I know, total clickbait. We can't get anybody to watch this unless Amy's here. Run past these nerd zombies.
I'm coming.
Zombie down.
Yeah, I think it's this way.
Help! Please help!
She was here. She just took off. She's like, I'm gonna go eat, and this game is too stressful, and you guys are awesome, and you're over.
Besides the queen and all that.
And something about tea and.
Oh, tea, oh, like tea. I like driving on the wrong side.
The stream
of the
isn't fun
road.
without Amy. Jack.
Oh, wait. Don't go that way.
No? Okay.
Wait a minute. Come back. Ah, zombie.
Go after Cho. Leave me alone.
Alright, go in that door you're next to. Don't be a stripper. Go in that door.
Let's go.
Alright. Don't worry. Old Marky Mark's gonna get us out of a jam. Oh, unless I just went the wrong way. Then old Marky Mark just got us into a jam.
What's going on? What is this?
I totally
Oh!
got us into a jam. Go this way. Go this
Ooh, he just went up.
Okay, that was good practice run for going the wrong way. Now we have to go the right way. Loggy distracted me.
Sorry.
Stripper looks.
Sorry. With my awesome hat.
Yep. Now I wonder what Mark's stripper outfit looks like. Oh, that guy's getting up.
Whoa! Ah, so close. Now which way?
Alright, we're gonna go. Oh, zombie! Run past.
Oh, he got me.
There we go. Oh, run in this door. Yeah, please! What's up,
Help me,
Sakura?
please!
You came in right at the end here. We are
about to beat the game.
about to just wallop. Okay, here's the door that I think you used that key on.
Let's see.
See, right next to the P base. They said.
No way.
No, you have to use it. See?
No way.
Old
Oh!
night falls right every now and then. The true is sometimes speaking the truth.
Jack Raider says, how's your Mega Man speaker?
Oh. Wow. This guy knows way too much. This guy.
Oh my goodness, be careful, be careful, be careful! Be careful, I don't think...
Die, mad frog zombies. Oh, totally missing.
Oh, he's down. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. There's another one though, be careful.
Well, the girl, we've been playing for like 3 hours and we've had to reset twice. We're gonna give this one a go. Oh no, I was gonna reload. He's back up already. Do something up there. Something.
I released the lock.
Be done.
Okay, I released the lock.
Oh, that locks that door that is electronic. Go, go, go. Run back. Don't let them eat you. And all that
What
stuff.
door though?
No, remember that door?
I'm gonna follow
The
you. You know, you must
door-
know where. I'm gonna follow you.
Yeah, just follow me.
Oh my goodness, are we doing this?
Well, we might. I mean, I don't know. I gotta reload. I'm totally.
I just remembered
but I
something.
gotta reload,
After we do the P-based thing, we're gonna have to fight the tyrant.
Oh, we do?
Yes!
Oh shit!
And he mutates, it becomes even stronger.
I was not prepared for that. Okay, I'm gonna grab this sweet herbage.
Sweet,
Okay.
sweet herbage.
We need to get to that door.
Oh, look! I dropped these earlier. Thank
Do you
you.
remember that door that it was at the end of like a bridge, and it said like you can't go through here. It's electronically locked.
Mm-hmm. Yes! We have to do the pipes thing again.
That's
I
the
have to
door
cross
we
the
gotta
pipes.
get to.
Yeah, you have to cross
Oh,
the
that's
pipes.
the pipe thing.
Yeah, I
Oh,
have to
shit.
cross the pipes. I
Okay,
think. I think. Do we? Yeah, I think so.
but that Mega Man speaker is just. Actually, I don't know where it is now. I cleaned my room.
Now, which way?
That's a good question. This way.
Oh, watch out! Zombie!
Zombie. Yep.
Help me, please! Help me!
Oh, Sakura, you sick? What, you got the flu?
Sakura's got the flu! It's not this
Sakura's got the flu. Or
Sakura's
cold,
got the
or
flu!
something.
Help me, please!
Help, Sakura, please.
So how does Jack Ryder know about your Mega Man speaker?
I don't know. Jack Ryder has either just religiously watched all our videos, all our streams, or he's psychic. I don't, and he just changed his name and never talked to us ever on any of those streams.
So weird.
Uh,
Oh, is it this one?
no,
Feels like it's
no,
this
no,
one.
not here. Not here.
I think it is. I think it is. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's find out.
Well, I mean, it's this way. It's not this room. Is what I was saying.
Yeah, I think it's this way. Water purifying facility.
Oh, look
Okay.
at Jack Ryder. I'm doing good, having fun with the boys, making the
Whoa!
wonder how I know. Oh, get off of him.
Oh yeah, that's nice. I used
Okay,
that.
start going.
Which door though? I'm not so sure.
Oh no, there's another one in the water.
Oh
No,
my goodness, we're not gonna make this. Hold on, let me just switch. I got 23. I got 23. We can do this. You got one? I'll take the other. Oh, they're both down. Oh, there's another one down here. Careful, careful,
Yeah,
careful.
there's another one in the water.
Careful, and I got
Oh,
hit.
reloading.
All right, I think now's our time. Now's our time. Now's our time. Let's go, go,
Okay,
go, 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 go,
I'm
go.
going.
Before they get up again.
Help me! Mark! Kevin! Mark! Kevin! Mark! Kevin!
Sakura,
Mark!
you're sick. Everybody's sick.
Mark!
I think you got it from me.
Everybody.
No! 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 No!
Damn it!
Hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on. Hang on, I'm there. I'm there.
Oh, he's trying to eat me.
You okay? Where are you?
I gotta go all the way back around.
I can't see him though. Where is he? And he's
He's right behind me.
gonna go after you, not me. Now, right
Oh,
now.
yeah, he's after
You're
me.
good
He's going
bait
after
right now. Where is he?
Ma.
Come on,
Alright, he's
I
in the
can't
water,
help
he's in
you.
the water. Okay, I'm gonna try it again. Cover me.
Yes, I'm gonna cover you when you when you.
Oh, shoot him! Oh,
I don't see him. Am I hitting him? Because the camera's against me.
You're hitting him. Go. Yes, he's down.
All right, I couldn't see my camera. I was just shooting outside my frame. Let me know if I need to fire again.
Help me! Please! Please help!
I think I'm okay.
Help!
That guy came out of nowhere last second. That was bullshit.
We're good. We could make. See, good teamwork. We're doing this.
Yeah, good team.
90% a virus.
Oh boy.
All right, I'm gonna start crossing. Let's see if this is gonna
There,
happen.
just go. They're all just laying over there.
All right, come on.
Please
Halfway
help!
there. Halfway there. My virus just went up to 90.
Woo!
Help!
Come on, Sakura. Maybe Sakura is our good luck charm. Sakura
Come on,
shows up.
Sakura.
Mark!
Come
and
on,
we beat the
Sakura.
game.
So the only other door that I know that is locked now is the one down here.
That's the one we're going to now.
Yeah, exactly, exactly.
Yeah.
We got this. We got
Alright.
this. We got this.
Go.
We did it.
Go. We're across. We're across.
We made it. This has to be the door through here.
Yeah, it's through here, and then we go through that control room that's
Exactly.
useless, and then.
There is no Amy, only Zool. You know that reference?
I don't get that at all.
So this is the door, yes?
Yes.
No, I
go
mean
through
the
that.
one after this one. I mean, yeah.
Yeah, after this one, yeah, go through here, and then it's the door.
There is no Amy, only Zool. You know the reference?
No, is that like the Exorcist or something?
Ghostbusters. The door is open.
Ghost-
Ah!
Oh, I'm at 90%.
Even me. Come on, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. We are gonna
got it, we
make
got it,
it.
we got it.
Water tank. There it is. Water tank.
We are gonna
Now
make
what?
it.
Now what?
I have
There's
no
more.
idea.
There's more of them. Be careful. Oh, but we're safe
Whoa,
here.
they're
We're
behind
safe
that
here.
fence.
Haha,
They're behind the fence.
sucker.
Ah,
Haha,
stay over there,
sucker.
bitches. Oh, you gotta
Should I
climb up
shoot
here.
them?
My character. No,
You're
don't waste your
struggling to get up there.
My
You are
character is
struggling to get up there.
not- I'm gonna switch out this first aid spray.
Even mine
That
was
herb.
struggling
You can Take that
actually.
sweet herbage if you want.
P-base. There it is.
Oh.
Ah.
See
So
it?
now what? Now we have to go back
Well,
again.
that's the sealed case, so now
Can you
we have
combine
to go back
this?
there
Yeah.
and do it again.
Okay, let's go. You wanna go again? Go back?
Let's go. Wait, is there like something here we can like? Is there anything else in this room we need?
This
Like
is,
the buttons
no,
or
this is just
controls or
it.
something?
This is what the room was about.
Oh my god, all that.
Yeah, let's
Alright,
go. Okay, we
go.
got 90%. We're gonna do this.
Is this like a quicker way over here? Oh no! Oh no!
What did you do?
I
You-
jumped in the water!
What?
Ah!
Can you get up? Can you go up?
I think so.
Let me know and then I'll jump myself.
I can! I can climb up here. Just don't get eaten.
Alright, I'm coming.
Do it, all the cool kids are jumping in the water with the evil frogs.
Are the evil frogs there as well?
Yeah, they're just chilling
I'm
there.
coming. I don't care. I'm coming. I'm coming
Do it.
home.
I'm coming out. Come on, do it. No, run, doggy, run! I'm coming. Get off of him! Get off of Bloggy! Keep going the way you're going. That's the way. Oh, I'm out of ammo. Well, I just gotta reload. Go! Yes, there you go.
You lead the way now. You lead the way.
Okay, okay. In the door, in the door.
I can't believe we did that.
That was really. That was
91%. Come on, we're gonna do this.
Really dumb. Oh, we're here!
Is this it? Is this the room?
This is the room!
No, it's not the room, is it? No.
This is the room! Yeah! For P-Base!
Alright, yeah. Use. Alright, okay.
What room?
Procuring.
What
Okay,
room are you
yes.
thinking of?
Yes.
Yeah, I got it.
You got it?
Or did you do it too? Oh,
I
we
did
both
it
have
too.
it.
Okay, I got it. Let's go. So now, which
Now
way?
We have to go back to the third floor, right?
Yeah, back to the third floor. Let's go.
I don't know where the elevator is. We just gotta find the elevator.
Yeah, we just keep running now. I got a few bullets. Oh my goodness, this is gonna happen. This is gonna happen. We never got this close.
No.
Alright, now which way? This way?
I
No.
don't know. Where's the elevator?
Dead end.
Oh, that end. Not that way.
Oh, zombie!
Run! We don't have time for zombies. We literally don't have time for them.
Have to find a way out now.
Where's the elevator? Where's the elevator? Where's the... Oh, zombie! Is this the way?
Is that a good way?
East Waterway?
Jack says so close yet so far. Oh, are we far as well?
Well, you said we have to fight
No.
the tyrant still. So, oh my god! 3 zombies just followed me. Go this way.
Running.
This is the way. This is the way. This is the way. Down the ladder. I see the zombie down here though.
Yeah, this is the way. This is the right way. Ooh,
This is
and
the
it's a
way.
shortcut actually. We're gonna be close to the... We're gonna be right next to... George again.
94%. 94%.
We're not gonna make it. I don't think we're gonna make it anyway, to be honest
We're
with you.
definitely not gonna make it.
We
but
are
we're
gonna do-
get far.
We're gonna do the B base, the thing, the base, the little thing, whatever it's called. But we're not gonna,
Yeah.
we're not gonna defeat the tyrant. Definitely not. But again, improvement. Again, once again. I think next time is gonna be our next the good
time
one.
is the one. That's the run. Alright, there's stupid George. He's dead to us.
All right, now there's the elevator right there,
Elevator.
and
yeah.
we go to the third floor.
Yep, yep.
You know what to do anyway. Just do it. What am I
Go
at?
now.
94%.
Yep, I'm gonna think I'm at 95.
What the heck? Come on, open.
Third floor.
I'm coming. You just go ahead and do it anyway. Don't wait for me.
I'm doing it. Oh, 95. I just hit 95.
My goodness. We're gonna do the base thing, but we're not gonna be able to defeat the tyrant.
Yeah, we're gonna be zombies before that.
Decisions, the final war next time.
Yeah,
It's amazing how long this took us. We've been at it since summer.
I know.
I used to not wear pants for these streams. Now I'm
Yeah, I
feeling
know.
cold wearing as many clothes as possible.
Why are you wearing pants? This is okay.
Because it's cold. You
Oh,
got, you got
Well,
it?
it's not using it now. Why isn't it going?
Hold on. Use. There we go. I put it myself.
Oh, like yours more than mine.
5 minutes later. 5 minutes later. Alright, we're dead then.
It shows us all like making out and stuff. Like, oh, okay, it's just done, guys. What the hell?
What just happened
Okay,
now?
so
Now what?
what does that do?
Electric power is down. What just happened?
Did you skip the scene?
No, I didn't do anything.
I didn't even touch my controller. So, is this door open? Oh, this door opens now. This door was locked before.
Oh, okay. Let's go. What's going on?
I feel like we should have learned some information during that cutscene.
I didn't skip anything.
Oh crap! There's like a hanging creature up here. Multiple hanging creatures.
I've never made it this far.
96.
Well, I remember this room. It looks...
Holy crap! This is bad. There's stuff here that we...
Yeah, a lot of grenade
Another
launcher.
assault.
Yeah, prepare for the war.
All right. So,
Ooh, the hungry creatures.
yeah. So do we have to
Wow.
like trigger something? Oh, go this way.
Which way? Hang on, I'm going around right now. Where?
I went.
Second
like-
time, same time, second hole. Uh-oh. What? I got a cutscene. Same time, second...
Well, I got a cutscene. Yep.
My apologies for this place
Alpert.
being so
Yeah, it's Alpert.
hectic. I have been monitoring your progress from here. I am grateful for your assistance. Daylight is it. The only resource against the T-virus. I cannot give it over to Umbrella. They're the ones responsible for the catastrophe which has befallen the city. In retrospect, that entire T project was a total disaster. Brute force should not be the only criterion for a weapon. It must also be beautiful, unique, and godlike. You will also assist me. You're going to play with my ultimate creation.
Maybe we should kill that guy.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh
wow.
wait, I think he's gonna kill that guy.
Farewell.
Oh,
Wow. You knew it. You knew it.
that guy was that guy.
Almost.
Oh.
Farewell. Okay, oh, the self-destruct system has been activated. Get out of there
Activated.
because you're gonna blow up.
Oh dear. So what do we do now? Do we do something over here?
I wonder what's gonna kill us first. Either the 6-minute time bomb or our virus. What do we do now?
97. Release all the locks from the university? Yes.
Reactivate the reach incubator. Yes. Let's go out of the room then. Out.
97.3.
There's a door here.
Alright.
Is it a door? Yeah. Let's go. Are we gonna do this? Testing passage B.
I don't know. I don't think we're gonna live 6 minutes. I'm at 97.5.
Yeah, me too. Exactly.
7.6.
Just as much. Yeah. Hold on. What if I
Oh,
use?
ladder.
I just used a first aid spray and it slowed it down. It paused it completely.
Oh, let me try.
Use it. Yeah. It stopped it completely. It's down. It stopped at 97.6.
I'm at 97.92. Yeah, it did stop it.
Let's see how long it stops it for. A minute or two. It's still time. I mean,
Yeah, it's time.
are we gonna do
Alright,
this?
I unlocked whatever door this was. I have one more first aid spray I guess I could use. President room.
Well, we never made it this far. Wow, I'm so happy, but
No.
it's like we're so close, but we're not gonna make it.
Oh, this is the room where I did the little, thing for the gold for the eyeball.
Oh,
Okay, so we're back upstairs next to that main hall. I don't know where we're supposed to go. Though. Are we supposed to go out the main door or something? Like, what's our goal here?
I don't know.
Oh, it started up again.
What started up? The
97.
music?
I'm at 98%.
Oh,
And I'm just rushing to them. I'm just gonna use my last first aid spray. Screw it. I'm just going to the main hall. I mean, I don't know what we're supposed to be doing.
oh, Tyrant is chasing me.
What? Where are you?
Yeah, I'm right behind you, but no, it's not gonna
Uh-oh.
work. It's not gonna work. I think we forgot to pick up the thing, the base P thing that we mixed.
Base B?
The P
We
base.
picked something up?
You know, we were mixing it and the power went out. You see?
Yeah. Oh, were we supposed to pick it back up and like do something with
I
it?
think so. Let's go back to the elevator, take the 3rd floor, and get it. I think that's what it is.
Alright, I don't think we're gonna live that long.
I don't think so either.
98.2.
Hold on, I'm gonna use my herb. There's an herb, I'm gonna use it. Oh, it went down. It stopped at 77 again. Good.
I see Siren up there. Where the hell is the elevator again?
This door. I took it just now.
Oh yeah, I'm going up. I'm in.
That's
I'm
the
almost
elevator.
99.
Come on. Are we gonna do this? No, we're not.
No.
Come on, it's so close. It's amazing. It's annoying that it's so close.
Yeah.
Oh, pressing the button doesn't seem to be working.
Holy
What?
Jesus! There's the tyrant behind me.
Out, 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 out! Out of the room, out of the room!
The elevator isn't
No,
working.
it's not working, I told you! Oh my, maybe we just need to waste some time. Does it make
Yeah, maybe
sense?
just hold them off for 6 minutes and then die gloriously in an
I
explosion.
don't
I don't know.
I don't know, we all die together and...
Yeah, let's just fight.
Run, it's right behind you!
I'm at 99%. I'm gonna fight him.
No, I'm just gonna try.
Run, Blocky! You can do it, Blocky!
You're saving me. Okay, I'll make you proud for the next 2
I'm
minutes.
shooting him right in his dick.
Your death won't be in vain for my next 2 minutes.
Big shots! Big shots!
I'm 99.19.
I'm 99.7. Ow, he kicked me, but I'm okay. Dick shotting him. All dick shots. Ow, he punched me real hard. I'm at 99.9.
I'm 99.19.
I'm a zombie.
And now Tyrant's coming after me anyway. He doesn't care about you anymore.
He's just kind of standing here right now.
Doggies! There's doggies! Yeah! Oh, oh.
I take that, stupid tyrant. I'm attacking him zombie style. He's just like
It's
standing
like,
there all
it's like we
creepily.
barely have enough time to complete
Oh.
the game with this
I
virus.
know, man. Oh, he's walking away. He must find you. I'm chasing him. Get back. You respect me. I'm a zombie. Get back. Oh, he's kicking a door in. He's through a door. Are you still alive?
Yeah.
How are you not a zombie yet?
I'm keep using healing items. I'm picking up herbs as I'm walking around. Alright, I made it out of the university, but...
You're out?
I mean, out. There's still explosives out here in the yard.
Oh yeah, I see this doorway here. It's where he broke through. Wow, that guy put explosives everywhere. What a jerk.
No, I don't know where to go anymore.
Well, Tyrant's just hanging out with me, kind of. So...
I don't have 3 minutes. I'm not gonna make it for another 3 minutes. I'm not gonna live another 3 minutes. Hang on, I found more herbs! I found more herbs! Oh, can I pick it up? 0.6. Come on,
My
use
buddy,
it,
the
use it.
T-Man, are
Using
hanging
it.
out here.
Oh, I froze it at 99.84.
Dang!
But it's not gonna work anyway. There's like another 2.5 minutes to go. This is not gonna work.
And I don't think we're doing what we're supposed to be doing either. I don't think
And
we're
Jack is
supposed to
right. I
survive
mean,
it.
Jack is right. Jack Ryder is right. He's like, at least we learned more now. We know exactly
Yep.
what to do. We wasted time looking around this and that.
Yeah.
And I mean, I thought the red key opened another door.
Yeah, and I kept trying to tell you!
I'm sorry, okay? Do you want to go one more time? Or you have
I am burnt out on decisions today. No more
Nah, that's
decisions.
decisions?
Oh, I collapsed. My zombie days are over.
I just turned into a zombie. I forgot to take the herb. Wait!
You die.
Timer's still going. Timer's still going. I'm a zombie. Timer's still going. Is something gonna happen?
See if it explodes while you're zombie. I'm gonna watch your stream.
I'm a hat-wearing zombie.
Oh, I'm watching your stream. Minute and 20.
Oh man, I really want to finish this. Oh man,
Oh,
maybe
that's
next
a,
time.
That's
I
a
hope.
good way to. Well, now we'll know exactly the time lag. How much time do you have on your screen right now?
I have 58 seconds. 7,
Okay,
6,
I have a
5.
minute and 9 seconds, so I think your stream's like 10 seconds behind.
10 seconds is not that bad.
Yeah.
They say streaming on what's it called? The new streaming service owned by Microsoft, Beam. They say Beam is instantaneous.
Wow.
Yeah. All right, 38 seconds. Come on. Are we gonna do this?
Oh man. Do you have a cutscene of your zombie exploding?
I mean, I made it out here. I thought maybe we're safe out here, but no, there's even explosives out here. Or not.
Man, how did that guy have so much explosives on?
Oh, there was a green herb. 2 green herbs here. I missed them. Ah, man, I would have extended my life with another minute. Ah. But come on.
Just walking in circles.
Yeah, but come on. Out 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Oh man.
2, 1. At least we get to find out what happens. Cutscene. Oh.
I still have a couple more seconds on your stream to see what happens. What is this show?
Oh. That's not what I expected. That's not the cutscene I expected. Aww.
That's just you dying as a zombie?
Yeah, did you see that?
I saw.
Wah, wah, wah.
You know, we gave it the old.
We did our
college
best.
try.
We really did our
know.
best at this time. We really did our
Rackman
best.
University try.
Oh man, wow, that is so hard.
Yeah.
Is what she said. But
Okay. Ah, ba-dum-bum-bum.
but that was so much fun. Thank you so much for
Yes.
joining me with this one. I look forward to do this again. Oh man, hopefully next time we play, we wouldn't have forgotten everything again.
Yeah, I know. Really, every time we do it, we're like, wait, how did we get there again?
Oh man, so difficult. But anyway,
That was good.
I think we're gonna be okay. I think we're gonna do it next time.
Yeah, next time.
Yeah.
The magnifique, as they say in English.
I'm gonna end
English,
it off
English.
here. Oh wow, it's almost 8 p.m.
Yeah.
here. Wow. I'm gonna
Alright.
stop it here. Thank you so much for joining me through. Thank you so much, Amy, wherever you are, eating
Yes.
your
I think she's already playing The Last of Us.
Really?
She's
Let's
already-
check her out. Let's see. Let's see. Where's Amy? Amy.
I think I saw her on Twitter.
Is she? Yeah, she's live. She's live.
Yep,
She
yep.
is live.
She's already there.
All right. I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for hanging out. Thank you,
Alright.
Amy. Thank you, True. Thank you, everyone in chat. I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Adios, everybody.
Ciao.